to this. I want to change it. Why again over here? Let's click on analytics. अच्छा चेंज हो गया. This one is resetting. Should be group. Where is it? Yeah, it's the one. What happened? Why can't I go studio? What? I should have that access, right? Why I'm not having that access? Let's go studio. The legit one. Hello guys, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Just give me 1 minute. I'm connecting myself. Zbita. I can see there's a hair color on my hair. Doesn't look good at all. Why even I treated it? I don't know. Today I've realized this one thing. Reels are not a good influence on people. Reel can influence people and then that's it. That's your life is done over there. People will make bad decisions and all those things like I made on my hair. One second, why is it not happening? Okay. Let's start it again. Let's see. किया जो सही लगा देख के. As usual, leg is always the same. Understand why? Last attempt, and it happened. It happened. It happened. It happened. Nice. It happened. Okay. YouTube is live. My video is coming. Video is there. Audio is there. Everything is there. Let's start this live stream, guys. And today there is something new which I want to tell to all of the people, which you can see over here as well. Can you see over there? New user bonus, which is something new. Before we used to go the usual ones, the 5-finger hold reward to you. Now we have added one more to it. I'll be talking about all those things together, everything. Just let me copy one thing because I want to paste that one thing in the starting itself so that you will remember. Copy link, and I'm gonna paste it over here. Paste. Oh, this is not the one. This is not the one. You can't log in via that. Why can't you just take it? Acha change. Maybe 1 second. Let's do this. I don't think so. It will come. It's coming as a text. I want you all people to have it as a link, but it is coming as a text. Let me check if it comes as a link only. This is my live owner. Why there is no text anything? It is sending as a message. I don't want you to see as a message. I want you all people to see as a link, because that is a link for all of you to join. Welcome user, welcome. Welcome user 878345. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being over here. Okay, I think I have only one option because I cannot share you the link like that. But if you can copy paste this same link, for example, you can the message you can see owner, room owner, that's me. Okay, I am the one who is sending that message. Okay, so if you copy that whole thing and paste it in the browser, then it will take you to our Zbit platform Telegram link, which is very necessary. I will tell you every of those things, why and everything, but I will show you 2 ways for it to download and everything. But if you don't see that more option, there is also a comment which I made in the owner room. You can see the owner, room owner is me basically. Okay, that's me who have put the message. That is basically link, but it is coming as a text. It should come as a link. Even in I checked it over here, it coming as a text only. So you can either copy that put it in the browser, it will take you to our Telegram channel itself. Okay, it won't take you to some other place, it will take you to our Telegram channel itself. Why Telegram channel? Why there is a new reward? So 5 finger hold has changed into 6. One more reward has added to all of you people, and I want all of you people to enjoy that reward, have better and better and better profits, better rewards from the ZB. Because I told you this one thing, that ZB.com is one of that platform which takes care of their own family. Like basically, once you join the ZBit, you are basically the family of ZBit now. And ZBit will take care of its family in every aspect, whether it is earning profit, whether it is giving reward. And trust me, Zibit has the most biggest heart in giving the rewards to all the new users, because we want you to have all the exposure of the cryptocurrency, and you should know how profitable it is and every of those things. Okay, so we'll start this live stream. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In the starting, I had to do all the stuff, so leave that thing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. It's a brand new live stream. I came after like 2 days of my holiday. I came, and my name is Yash. I am a live stream host over here, which will be taking care of your crypto journey for the next 4 hours. Whether it is anything, you can consider this one live stream is a pit stop for all of you people to know anything about cryptocurrency, whether it's a market analysis, whether it is which coin to trade in, whether it is how to trade, whether it is how to use Zbit, whether it is what is future, what is spot, any of those things which you need to ask, you can come on this live stream and you can ask and you can clear your doubt very easily you can do that. Okay, and plus one more thing I want to tell you this, that this live stream requires action. Obviously, see, I told you like this is one pit stop where you can know every knowledge of everything. Okay, that is so very sure that you will know every knowledge, but at the same point you have to ask, because I've also like prepared my some normal usual content. Like I will talk about the Zbit, what Zbit offers to a new user, because every day on the live stream there is some new person who is not aware about how to use the rewards, where to get those rewards, and how to take profit from those rewards. So volume okay, down. Okay, cool. So how to take those reward, how to use that as a profit, every of those things they are unaware about it, because obviously if you come new, then it is everything is new for you. So every day I start by like giving you knowledge regarding what Zbit is, what Zbit offers to all the new users, and which is not less, very big reward. And plus we had already had a 5 rewards. None of those exchange platforms out there like the Binance, Bybit, OKX, and all those kind of platforms, they never give you like more than 2 to 3 rewards, but we are offering you more than 5. That is, recently we added one more, which is 6, that we will be giving you one Dogecoin from my side. Okay, and that's the reward which I added to for all of you people. But for that you need to do something. Obviously it's a give and take relationship, it's not always take. Something you have to give, something, and then bigger thing I will be giving you. You will be just giving me the first deposit on the live stream. That too, it's not like I am going to take that profit, or I am going to take the deposit, or it's for me. No, it is simply for you only. Whenever like if you talk about the 5 rewards, okay, first is the free cryptocurrency, then you get the free USDT 20 USDT for taking the future trade, then you get the live stream option, then you get the referral commission, then you get the AI content. After this thing, obviously you have came to a Zbit platform. Zbit platform is what? It's a crypto exchange platform which offers you what? A platform to trade in the most profitable market and the most expensive currency out there. And trust me, lot of people have this XYZ doubt, like if it's the most expensive currency, then how can I arrange that big amount of investment to invest in the market? But you don't have to worry about that, because Zbit offers you future trading as well, in which you can start your journey of the profitable market by earning everyday profit or weekly profit or monthly profit, depends on how you want to trade it. Okay, it all depends on you. You can earn daily, you can earn in hour wise, you can earn whatever wise. It just you have to take a trade. And for that taking a trade, obviously you need to make investment, and that investment is what? Deposit. Your first deposit. Whenever you deposit the first time on my live stream, I'll tell you where. Okay. So why it is looking like this? One second. It's a YouTube logo, I guess. But in my phone, in my laptop, it doesn't look like that. In here, it looks like it's like black, some black box over here. I don't know what it is. But let it be. Let it be. Let it be. So this is the three functions of live stream. One is the comment section, in which you do what? You ask doubts, you gain knowledge, you take help of me to give you trade, to make you understand trade, to make you understand market analysis from here. For that, action is what? You need to type your question, you need to type and ask. Then only I will be answering. Okay, obviously. Second is take a trade. Whenever I give you the trade, see, every day I do live stream. Every day on, like, not every day, 5 days a week I do live stream. In that 5 days, obviously, that whenever it is like second part or third, so yeah, second part of my live stream, if I divide my 4 hours into two parts, 2 hours for educating you, 2 hours for taking the live trades. So in the my second part, I take live trades as well, in which I will be looking at the market, I will be analyzing the market, and I will be taking trade which will be profitable trade. I have already shown you, like you can clearly see right now, 98.46% of market profit. One thing is not changed. My bad. Not this. Okay. So, like I said to all of you people, that this is that one live stream in which you can gain every knowledge. Whenever I give you the live trades, you can take a trade with me and do the same amount of profit which you can. But obviously, see, my investment will be a little different. Your investment will be different. If you want to do the same investment, good for you. But if you don't want to do the same investment as I did in the market, then you need to tell me what is your investment, so that I can tell you what kind of leverage you can pick, what kind of margin, which margin you need to pick, and what your take profit and every of those things. I can help you with that. Okay, but you need to tell first. That is this, the main function of the live stream is the comment section, in which you ask, what is your doubt, what is your problem, what is your anything whatever you want to ask. Because this is that one live stream which is completely free of cost for all of you people, which is helping you achieve excellence, achieve skills, achieve profitable trades, achieve knowledge regarding trading, everything at one thing, completely free. It just you need to take what action on asking on the comment section. Next thing comes over here, like I said to you, is a take a trade. Whenever I do the second part of like live stream, like when I start doing the live trading, I start doing the market analysis and tell you like this can happen, this can happen, you can go for short, you can go for long, or whatever situation is happening. Then you can, at the same point, you can click over here. That's the second function of the live stream. Click on the trade option, and then it will take you to the trade. You can take a trade with me, so that you can also gain the same amount of profit as I'm earning. Or someday we may face loss as well. See, it's a market. Obviously, ups and downs are gonna come. Someday we are gonna earn a huge amount of profit. Someday we are gonna lose some small amount of profit. That is like, it is gonna happen. Okay. The next thing. The last thing, which you will be getting the first like one Dogecoin completely free from my side. And trust me on this, this is a spot Dogecoin. I'm not giving you as just like hold it for 1 hour, 2 hour, gain profit and leave it. No, it's a spot Dogecoin which you can hold it forever. And it can, like, maybe Dogecoin can become maybe 20, maybe 30, maybe 40, maybe $50, or maybe more than that. Who knows? It can be your generational wealth. It can be anything. See, I'm not giving you high hopes on the meme coins, but at the same point, a coin is a coin. Cryptocurrency is a cryptocurrency, and that too, you're going to get it for completely free of cost by doing what? Whenever a new user does a free, first, sorry, not free, first deposit from the live stream. See, this is the live stream. If you cross this is the home page. In here, can you see live? When you click on this live, this is the live section over here. And in the live section, can you see in the bottom deposit? See, this deposit and the home page deposit is completely safe. Completely same. Not safe, sorry. Completely safe and same. Okay. But the only difference is that this live stream is gonna, this deposit, the live stream function can offer you what? One Dogecoin completely free, if from myself, if and only if you do the first deposit from the live stream function of deposit. Okay. If you don't do it from the live stream function of deposit, then you are not gonna get the first like free one Dogecoin for completely free of cost. And compared to the meme coins, all the like there are so many meme coins out there, but compared to all those things, the most popular is a Dogecoin because of the Elon Musk. Because of that guy, this Dogecoin was the most famous and the most invested, most profitable, and every of those things. Now you get the chance to get that one Dogecoin, which is the most popular around the meme coins, that to completely for free of cost by doing what? Just your first deposit. Simple. First deposit from where? From the live stream function. Okay. Plus, plus, we all know whenever we join some platform, we require the updates of the platform. We require what is going on, like is there any new update, is there any new commission, is there any new reward, is there any something new, something that, something this. We all need the update. We all need the news regarding that XYZ platform which we are using. Obviously we cannot just randomly download the platform and start trading it. Obviously we need some updates regarding the platform, so that it will also update me regarding whatever new thing is coming all the time. See, it was in the starting, it was just three rewards: the cryptocurrency, first free future trade, and the live stream. Slowly we added fourth, fifth, and now sixth. Now all the updates, obviously if you come on the live stream, I will give you that update. But if you don't come on the live stream, then how would you know? There is one option which I can tell you. Can you see this more option? Click on that more option, and in here you can see the Telegram channel. Okay, it's a Telegram channel, right? Yeah. Join Telegram group and join Telegram fans. Okay. Join the official Telegram. You click on this, and then it will be directing you to the our Telegram option, which will look like this. This is our official Zbit Telegram channel, which gives you all the news updates. See, I've told you this one thing very clearly. Crypto market is a very highly influential market. Okay. Influential by the big players who has very huge amount of money. One thing. Second thing is very sentiment trading. Sentiment trading, as in some positive news happening outside, market will pump. Some negative thing happening outside, market will dump. Such kind of updates also we put on the official group. News is regarding the crypto market, any new update of the Zbit, or anything like for example any new offers, new rewards, or anything, we put all those things inside that group. So I want all of you people to join this group. I will show you again how to do it. Go back. Okay, this is your live stream. This is my live stream. I came like this. See, can you see live? This is the home page. Live, click. Then this is that live stream. It will come over here. Yeah, can you see me with the bad hair color? And then where is it? Where is it? Yeah, this is the three dots, more option. Click on that more, and then join the Telegram group. Okay, it will take you 1 second. Join. Yeah, it will take you to the Chrome or some other Safari. Just click on it. You for that thing, obviously you should have a Telegram group. Okay, not so Telegram app. So if you don't have a Telegram app, please download the Telegram app so that you can get the all the updates in the crypto market, like all the newses, all the major update, major pumps, major dumps, major trendy coins, new coins coming, old coins like having crash or pump, anything. Plus Zbit new rules, regulations, some withdrawal changes, some deposit changes, some like rewards new added, like AI conboard was recently added, and every of those things. Most of the people don't know about it because they are not the part of the community. If you've already downloaded this Zbit, like I said to you, Zbit takes care of all the people who are downloading as a family. Now, this is that one family chat group in which you can chat as well. Okay, you can simply ask anything in that group. There are always like 24/7. There are people who are going to help you in whatever thing you ask. You ask them regarding XYZ, like what is the withdrawal minimum amount and blah 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 amount of, or any kind of information you want to seek regarding the Zbit, regarding trading, or regarding taker maker fees and all those kind of stuff. You can ask on that group as well to gain the knowledge, and 24/7 everybody, one person who will always reply you. There won't be such thing that you have just like texted and nobody's replying to me. Within 5 minutes, within 1 minute, somebody is going to respond to you with whatever query you are having. Plus 24/7 the channel is open. Whenever we get, like, see, news can come, like we have different sessions, Asian session, New York session, China session, Japan session, every session. Now everybody has their own different newses. Compared to everything, New York session is the one of those market in which there are very, like, what you can say, like very rich, not I won't say rich people, but very interested people who are actually rich as well at the same point. Like average people will invest in the New York session, and when the New York session opens, the average money, the average investment they put in the crypto market are above $10,000. Not like us. See, we deposit what, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That is like nothing for them. They deposit the very huge amount. So to follow those sessions, every of those things, this is 24/7 available. Even if in the New York session, it may be night for you, or it may be day for you, or it may be afternoon, whatever time it is for you, compared to that session, if we get any information, any news related to that session or that anything, like major thing happening, we will update you even if it's a night. So this Telegram channel is 24/7 giving you updates regarding each and everything. Plus, you get to be the part of the Zbit family because you're already one. If you've downloaded, if you're watching me from the live stream, you're already a part of the live stream. You're already part of the Zbit family. And let us give us an opportunity to host you all people. Give us an opportunity to like treat you well, serve you well, every of those things, so that we have an opportunity to solve any of your queries, do as much as best for all of you people, and take advantage of it, because these rewards are the huge. Let me explain. See, if there are new users over here, like who have never ever heard about Zbit's reward, never ever heard about how big a heart of Zbit is, every of those things, let me tell you this one. Zbit offers you first, it used to offer you 5 rewards. Now it offers you 6 rewards. Now one more is added, and that too from my side. My side, like it's my treat. It's like it's one of those things. Like I started seeing like a lot of people are coming on my live stream. A lot of people are interested. A lot of people ask their doubts, ask their question, and I'm happy for it. I'm really happy for it, and for that appreciation that you are finally taking advantage of the live stream. I am giving you that new reward, but I will be telling you one by one each and every of these things. Let me take you to the web portal so that you can see the how to do it and every of those things. Okay. And also the YouTube people can also know how to download, how to create account and every of those things. People have this common queries all the time. Okay. So first thing you need to do, first step, create an account. It's just you over here. There is a Zbit bridge, and then there is the most profitable market out there. What you need to do, just cross that bridge. How you need to cross that bridge? Just by entering the most simplest information, your country code, your email address, and password. That's it. That's all you need to do for crossing that bridge and entering to the one of the best profitable market out there right now, which is cryptocurrency. You all know, like compared to all the market out there, like stock, indices, commodities, every of those things, crypto is having the largest market cap. Crypto is having the largest investors. Crypto is having like largest value compared to, like, say, I'm not saying like every currency is valuable, but the one like top 10, top 4, top 5 are those which none of the stock, none of the indices, none of the commodities can touch, or maybe in the future, I don't know if because we can never know what happens in the future, but till now point, they have not touched even the foot of the, like, if you compare it by the value, the value of the cryptocurrency is such over here that none of the stock, like all the stocks market and everything of those stock market, indices, commodity are here in the profitable wise, in the value wise, and Bitcoin is over here. Now you get the chance to trade in that market, which is the most profitable, which everybody is talking about, everybody is trading, and everybody earning the huge amount of profit from it. Okay, like I said to you all people, and Zbit is the one which can offer you that platform. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which is only, I know, see, our motto is not like earning money. Our motto is not like I want to be number one, I want to be number two, I want to be number three, number four, number five. No, our motto is not that. We have in a Zbit, we have the most simplest motto is to help Each and every party, like whoever comes in our path, whoever crosses our path, whoever comes to our family and be our part of a family, we want them to achieve a financial freedom, because that's the most important thing which is required in nowadays era. Everybody is running toward like opening a business, opening that, opening this, opening that. Okay, I get it, it's a very good thing, I'm not denying this fact. Like for achieving a financial freedom, you should have a passive source of income. Agreed. But the passive source of income has so many different options. And out of those, like for opening a business, startup, company, product, blah, 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 there are so many things. But out of those many passive source of income, the most safest, the most effortless, and the most like, I won't say reliable, but like I want to find the word like effortless, less investment. I want to use that word, like you can do it from everywhere. Like it doesn't have any conditions, like you have to go here, you have to wake up and blah 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 kind of situation. There is no condition. You can do it whenever you want, however you want. And that one, the most effortless and the most profitable passive source of income is trading. It is trading. First thing, you can do it wherever you're from, wherever you want to do it. You either need laptop, tab, phone, and internet connectivity. That's all. Either even if you are working in some office, still you can do it. Earn the side by side passive source of income, which is very required for nowadays era. Okay, because we like it is like everybody admits on this one thing, that our salary is not enough for living this life. Maybe for surviving this life, but not enough for living this life. And we want to live, not just survive. And that Zbit offers you the most effortless passive source of income, the crypto market, and that too most profitable. Like trading can be of stock as well, trading can be of indices as well, trading can be of commodities as well. But we offer you not those, but the most profitable ones, because we are only those people who are looking the best and best and best for all of you people, so that you can simply easily achieve the passive source of income. Why? Why cryptocurrency? Why not any other currency? Why only cryptocurrency? Why not any other trading market? Why not any other like stock, index, or commodity? Why not those? People say like gold is the most safest one. Yeah, agreed. But what about the profit? But what about the variety? What about the volatility? What about the market cap? What about the major attention of all those like heavy, I won't say heavy investor, like rich investor is also not a good word. Like a very wealthy investors, everybody is eyeing on this one market, which is what? Crypto market. Plus, you get benefits. Not one, not two, not three, more than that. First thing, 24/7 available. Even Zbit is 24/7 available. We have our customers is 24/7 available. As we know this thing, cryptocurrency is what? Basically a common ground for whole globe, because there is no sessions like that, like you have to wake up at New York session, you have to wake up at China session, you have to wake up at Asia session. No, there is no such thing. It is 24/7 available. First thing, with that 24/7 available, you can trade whenever, however, from wherever you want to trade, wherever, however. Okay, with this thing, if let's say in the night you are having any issues with deposit, with withdrawal or anything, you can contact a customer service, because they are 24/7 available for all of people, because the market is 24/7 available. Okay, second thing, crypto market is 24/7 available. Second thing, sorry, first thing, 24/7 available. Second thing, crypto market has this one thing. What is that one thing? The higher attention of all those rich people out there at right now point. Crypto market is the most newest market compared to all those stocks, all those what you can say indices, commodities, and all these things. Very new, but still it grabbed all those people attention. Why? Why? See, people in, if you look into this scenario, people need what? People need freedom as their topmost priority. They are okay with less salary, they are okay with anything, but they need freedom, and that's our right. In the same way, the currency in which we were using, even we right now use the INR, ruble, yen, yuan, dollar, all those things, they are not in our control. Even though we elect the government and all those kind of stuff, but they are, we cannot decide what can be the inflation rate, what can be the interest cut, what can be this, what can be that, how much to print, how much not to print, how much to create demand, how much not to create demand. We cannot decide that. Plus, we cannot control money like the bank does. Bank has all the transfer options like transaction and every of those things, and they have their own rules regulation, because that's the only way. Bank is the only way in which you can transfer. Even people say like, I'll to take it out from the ATM. ATM comes from where? ATM is like bank thing only, right? You put it online, you put it via cash, it's same thing, you're taking it from bank. Now, cryptocurrency is that one thing which is eliminating these two things. The government's rule on deciding what will happen, how much the demand should increase, supply should increase, interest rate, inflation rate, every of those things. And second thing, the bank control. You get it or you don't get it, you like you admit it, you don't admit it, but there is one thing very specific, that bank has a like very huge control over money, which we cannot take it like in a very swift manner. Our whole transaction, whole trades are depending on the bank, which they impose our taxes, which they impose the rules, regulation, interest rate, and blah blah blah, blah scenarios. In which, with which, if like obviously consider bank as a locker only, everybody's money is in that. Consider live pool. From that live pool, they invest as well. They use our money to take a trade, investment, or whatever, earn a huge amount of profit from it, and give us what? 1% of interest in yearly wise, 2%, 3%, 4, or maximum 5 to 6. That's all. Take control of your money, where you want to invest, how you want to invest, and who can invest or not. Blockchain system is like, crypto is based on the blockchain system. Obviously, money needs a medium. For us, the traditional currency, INR, yen, ruble, dollar, the medium is what? Bank. And for the cryptocurrency, medium is what? Blockchain system. Blockchain is basically a transparent blockchain. Even if anything is happening, $1 transfer, 0.00001, 1 million, 2 billion, 5 billion, whatever is transferring, you can see it everything. Government doesn't have that transparency thing to us. They will hide a lot of stuff. They will hide so much of investment and everything, and we can never know. And we can, even if we ask, they will just say, we did it, we did it, we did it. That's all they will say. But we cannot never know. In the cryptocurrency, we can know. There is equality over here. The richest to richest person can see it. The poorest to poorest person can see it. There is no such thing like only rich people have the VIP pass or something like this. That is freedom from the bank, from the government, and giving us transparency as well, so that we can see our money is completely safe, secure, and we can know what is happening around us as well. Not just you, because see, in the bank system, you can just know your transactions. That's all. We cannot never know what bank is doing, what other people are doing. We never know. But in the blockchain system, you can access anything, whatever you want to do. How much people is having Ethereum, how much people is having the most Bitcoin, when that Ethereum went from this blockchain to that wallet to wallet, where it is going, how it is going, by which blockchain it is going, everything is noted. Everything. So there is no chance of either getting hacked, no chance of either getting scammed or anything, because one blockchain data will be recorded in all the blockchain. For example, if there is a chain of 100, if this one person transfer to second, the same data will be copied paste to all the 100 users. So every 100 user can know that right now at this point XYZ amount of Bitcoin has been transferred. It is that safe and secure, and the most secure one. Blockchain systems cannot be hacked because everything is transparency. If you try to hide it, they will catch it like this, because rest of the 100 people is having that data, only one channel or one account or one blockchain is not having the data. It will be caught like this. Plus, it is giving you freedom from the bank, which they take the whatever XYZ interest rate, and they take advantage. You may not know this, but I want to tell you this one thing, that bank, just by providing us services, transfer services, any kind of services, they earn up to 400 to 500 crores in a year just by providing free services. Free services. We use it for free, but they earn 500 to 600 crores from that. Just imagine what kind of amount they are having. The bank, like, it's going on since like ages, the banking system. And now a guy named Satoshi Nakamoto has bought the change. which is appreciated, which is grabbing the world's attention in investment. That is cryptocurrency. I get this one thing, and I'll be very frank about it, that yes, cryptocurrency's real use cases is not for everybody, not for all the citizens. Not every citizen can go tomorrow or go there, use cryptocurrency for transaction, blah blah blah. No, nobody can. Like, not majority people can do. Very less people are doing it, but you need to understand this one very specific thing. This is a future tech. It's something like this, like whenever something new comes in the market, and like for example, let's talk about new product, some new product. Like right now we are having that fuel things, like every fuel is getting less, and we are opting to the EVs, we are opting to the batteries, so to save the few fossil fuels and every of those things. Okay, now due to this thing, all the companies are opening their electrical car, electrical bike, electrical scooter, and every of those things, which is increasing what? The product, EV product in the market, which is increasing what? Attention, which is increasing what? What you can say is awareness that we are having something lacking, and that this thing is something future tech, fuel efficient, cost efficient, every of those things, and that's why it's getting boomed as well, right? In the same exact way, cryptocurrency is a future tech. That's it. Something happened. I want this. Yeah, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a future tech. Tech, as in, I won't say it's a technology. Blockchain is a technology, safe, secure, transparent, which we need. Like audience, like whenever, like all the citizens, all the people of the country or anything, they just need transparency. Like show us whatever is happening. Government doesn't show it. In the cryptocurrency, we can see it. Plus, not right now. Obviously, see, if you consider the whole world, 99.9% every money has been controlled by the bank. Yes, something has bought the change, the cryptocurrency, but it cannot change like this. Why it cannot change like this? Two things happened. First thing, the cryptocurrency's most use cases avoiding bank and the government to save yourself from inflation rate and every of those things. Okay, that is a main deal of it. Like you can consider like it's a reserve, that it can save you from the financial crisis, even the countries, even anything. If bank raise their hand, I won't help you, doesn't matter, we don't need bank, we have our own medium, which is blockchain. We don't need that middle person to decide when to transfer, how to transfer, how much to transfer, this much will happen, this much interest, this much rate, this much rules, regulation. We don't want them to decide, right? Now with this thing, what happened? I get it, cryptocurrency got a very huge pump in the value wise. There are two reasons for it. One, people started thinking, like looking at the cryptocurrency, like see, whenever some future tech comes which is very profitable, people will invest their money, like the whales. Okay, one thing is whales. Every whales invested in the cryptocurrency when they saw it the first. Like basically some new company came, and you know that this company is going to boom in the future because the use cases, the use cases plus the profits, not the profits, like the citizen use thing, can the time can get less, or you can see what company is like very useful for the work efficient or whatever xyz. Like for example, let's consider, like before there was just like people were washing it by the hand, and now suddenly washing machine came. Obviously the first 2 to 3 people are like, what is this, it's expensive and nothing, but people over that time must have invested in that, knowing it's a very future tech, it is going to boom in the future. In the same exact way, whales are those people who can see a huge potential of the cryptocurrency in inflation wise, interest rate cut wise, the decide of the supply demand, any of those things. It cannot be overwritten, it cannot be scammed, it cannot be hacked, it cannot be anything. Blockchain, which is transparent to everybody, everybody can have access of everything, nobody's going to hide anything. Plus at the main core, even though cryptocurrency value is too much considering them as a gold or something, but at the same point, cryptocurrency is used for one thing, that is sole transaction. And then there comes the second person are what? Institution people, corporate people, who are the makers and takers of the, basically if you can consider this thing, like out of all the whole crypto market out there, The institution and corporate people are the makers and the takers of the crypto market. Their huge investment make the market. Their huge like if they take out the profit or they do the heavy liquidation that they want to sell it, it will like take a lot of value from the market as well. Taker and maker at the same time. Got it? Now understand this one thing. Because of this, what happened? Richer people have this thing. They have businesses. They have imports. They have export. They have companies. They have this. They have that. They have so many things. Everything requires a everyday transaction, everyday thing, which they have to use the obviously the government rules regulation. Second thing they have to use is the banking systems. Now, if they avoid these two things, their work will be the most easy with less cut of the government or of the bank, and their money will be saved a lot. Plus, they are having more stronger currency than the traditional currency. It is a true fact. Okay, you can clearly see if one Bitcoin is worth over right now is 92k dollar. That means yes, compared to our traditional currency, dollar, yen, yuan, INR, or dirham, or whatsoever, Bitcoin cryptocurrency are way higher, way stronger, and way higher because of these people. They saw the future. They use it for the transaction because that's the sole purpose of every of this cryptocurrencies transaction. To like some people can have some ideology like reserve, like the same US government is doing. US government had like gold reserve and every of those things, but they started a new Bitcoin reserve. Like this is that they have like admitted that this is that one currency which can save a country from going financial crisis. A country, not a small country, one of the top three, top two country of the whole world, United States of America, have a higher economic and every of those things, but they still need the help of cryptocurrency. The government is admitting that yes, cryptocurrency is the future for us. Maybe it's not right now. Right now we cannot use it, but for sure we can use it in a far more future. Now that's the exact thing which Zbit offers you. Zbit offers you not the past, not the present. We offer you future. In the future, we want all of you people to start reading into the future, start investing into the future, so that your future will be the most brightest and must be the most wealthiest. That's our main motto of the things. Okay, like we want, like especially me and all the Cbit family, we want everybody who joins our team, joins our family, joins our group, anything. We want you to achieve financial freedom. That's all, and we'll do everything to make it happen. Either it is giving you reward, giving you offers, giving you education, giving you free things, or whatever thing is, we will provide it to you. Okay, now Zbit is that one thing which is offering you cryptocurrency. I explained you what is cryptocurrency. I explained you what is blockchain, why it is useful, and why the value is going up because of those two people. One whale who is thinking like it's a very huge future tech which can be used, like the like, use cases will be very wide and can overthrow government and banking system as well. Okay, like a straight slap to them basically. Second thing, that this institution people, corporate people, they use it as a transaction whenever they want to do any kind of transaction. Rather than using the currency by using the bank, by going to their rules regulation, they can just simply transfer the blockchain. They don't require anybody's permission. They don't require, they don't have to go from desk to desk to desk to approve it, to sign it, to do it. Just by simple one click, and that's it, your transaction is done. Plus one more thing, like for example, let's say a company is having uh, a deal of $1 million. Let's just, for example, let's just understand. Like I have to make you understand this thing. Why? Because the value of the cryptocurrency is depending on whales and the institution people. That those are the two people who is making the whole market value come or drop. Okay. Now in this thing, whenever this company XYZ they want to transfer XYZ thing, rather than using bank, they use the blockchain system. For example, if you want to use, there is a deal of $1 million. $1 million, rather than sending a 1 million USD, you can just simply share maybe I guess it will be 3 or 4 Bitcoin will you come with, no, not 3 or 4. I don't know how much it is, but in the Bitcoin wise, it will be in 2 digit. Rather than using that 7 to 8 digit of USDT transfer, you can just simply transfer 10 to 20 BTC, and that's it. Your deal is done. The best example I will tell you, and that too is done by the government, and not to a small government, a very big government, which we all know. Ukraine and Russia war was happening. In that, all the major like companies, products, and all those big thing, they started boycotting Russia, like for like, you are doing very inhuman thing, this is not the time to do such kind of stuff. And banking system also started saying like, okay, we are not going to deal with you, the international banks, because even for a government, even for the country, if they have to do any import export transaction, they require a bank, they require the international bank which will transfer the money and every of those things. International bank is just straight up raise the hand, like, we are not going to help you because you are not doing a good cause. Russian government was the first government to use blockchain system to overthrow the whatever the things were imposed by the banking system, like, we won't do this, we won't do that, we won't do this. He used a blockchain system to just make a very quick transaction which happened like this, and the trade was done. That simple, because of the blockchain system. A whole international banking system which thinks like they are the one, like the important pawn in the chess, like they, without them the chess won't move. And the cryptocurrency blockchain system came, and that chess important part they used to think, now it's gone. Now you have blockchain system which don't require government's rules, like, why are you sharing this, how much are you sharing it, blah blah blah. Government cannot take action on it. Second thing, bank cannot control. That's why these institutional people are opting more and more on cryptocurrency, to give a very strong backbone to the company, do the transaction via just cryptocurrency rather than using the USDT, because it's too much. Plus, it is saving them from the taxes, plus it's saving them from a lot of different stuff. Okay. So now this is that one market which Zbit is offering. I was just giving you a gist about what is this crypto market and what market are you trading on. This is the gist, the one of the most profitable market. And what if I tell you? What if I tell you that the simple, like I said to you, the bridge was what? Just putting a creating account, which is just this info. Country code, email address, password. That's all. That's all is the information required for all of people to enter into the most profitable market. And just by doing this one thing, you're unlocking not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but six rewards, not a small ones. For example, let's say, like, if I tell you this one thing, that if the runner runs the race, they run it for what? Trophy. What if I tell you that I can give you that trophy without even you participating or running that race? How? Everybody is doing a trading for what? For earning that cryptocurrency, right? Now, what if I tell you, in zbit.com, by just creating an account, not even doing anything, you didn't do deposit, you didn't do any investment, you didn't took a trade or anything, okay? By like not doing any of those things which will help you to earn profit, not doing anything, didn't trade, didn't deposit, didn't invest, nothing you did, but still you get a chance to win the most profitable coin out there, which is cryptocurrencies from zbit.com, that to completely free of cost. There is no such thing like hidden cost or something like we will ask you money later or something like that. No, we will not ask you any money. What is that reward? You can clearly see over here, worth over 1200 new user reward. Get your first crypto asset at zbit.com, the one which everybody is like dying to get in their hand. Like, cryptocurrency is that one thing which can save their future, which can save their financial crisis, which can save any of those things. Now Zbit offers you all the new users, every each and everybody. It's not like for selected people or something like that. No, it's for each and everybody. We offer this is again, yeah, uh, yeah, for each and everybody we offer this thing, like, that is free cryptocurrency. Each and everybody, anybody whoever creates an account with us without even doing any deposit, without even doing any investment, they can get the free cryptocurrency. And that too, yes, we are giving you the most profitable coins as well, and those coins as well which can have a high potential in future, both. There is no one legit thing, because obviously we cannot provide BTC to everybody, because BTC value you can clearly see 92k. If we give 92k worth of coin to each and everybody, I am gonna go bankruptcy. You can see me on the roads in seconds like this. But that's what Zbit gives you, a chance. Now, what is that chance? Chance is this lucky spin. Can you see a lucky spin over here? This lucky spin includes 8 different cryptocurrencies. Some are stable coins, some are altcoins, and some are the normal meme coins. Okay, meme coins are not financially strong ones, but still, if trend comes, they are the most profitable as well. You have seen like how profitable a Dogecoin was when Elon Musk just tweeted about it, Dogecoin to the moon and blah blah thing. People started buying that coin crazily just because that one guy said XYZ thing. Obviously, meme coin also are profitable, but depends on some influential people. For that, we have to wait. Obviously, if we want a very sweet fruit, we have to wait for it to ripe. Same thing. In this, you get how many options? 8 different options. 3 categories: stable coin, which will be Ethereum and BTC. Yes, you heard it right. You can get a chance to win BTC, which is the like the top of top, like king. You can say like king of the whole cryptocurrencies. BTC. You can get a chance to win a BTC, but to be very frank, to be very fair, like I said to you, we cannot provide it to everybody. So what we do is algorithm is set. Algorithm goes like 1 out of 500 people can get it. But I can tell you one way in which you can increase your chance as well. Because what you will think like I get one chance, I will have email address, password, I will create account, and that's it. My chance is done. But why do you forget the most closest people around you? You have family, you have friends, you have colleagues. Now, each, like if I put an average number, every family member consists of at least 3 to 4 people. Now you earn 3 to 4 chances. If you didn't get it, fine. Take more chances. More chances can open more doors that maybe you are that one in 500 which can earn the BTC, the most valuable coin in the whole world. You have the chance to get that thing which everybody craves for, getting that thing, and you can have it. And this is not any future coin, okay, to be very frank, to be very fair, this is not a future coin, it is a spot coin which you can have. You basically are the owner of that coin. You can do whatever with it. You want to sell, you want to trade, you want to hold it for longer period of time to gain more profit, you do that as well. And plus, like I said to you, you got that for completely free of cost, without paying a single amount on it. Yes, without paying a single amount on it. All the users who are watching me right now, I would love to tell you this one thing, that this is a very important notice from the Zbit, which you should be carefully listening, because this is going to give you the benefit only. I'm giving you this new instructions because there is a new reward which is added, which can give you a very good amount of opportunity to gain a higher profits. Okay, so first thing I explained, I will explain all the 6 to your people first. First, I explained you will get a chance to win what? Free cryptocurrency, stable coin like BTC, Ethereum, altcoin like Solana, XRP, or meme coins like Doge, Pepe, Shiba Inu, or whatsoever. Okay, you get those coins and you will be getting 100% win rate. 100%. There is no such thing like you will enter in that lucky spin and you may not get anything. No, you will obviously get something. Something you will be getting for very sure. I get it. General people will get meme coins, but what if you are that lucky one who is listening to me right now and not even taking that effort of just downloading and doing what? I just said to you what? Like country code, email address, password. Is that even a task? Is the most simplest thing. Like whenever you open any app, they require this normal information from you. Just by doing this, you can get a chance to win the most valuable currency out there, which is our cryptocurrency, also called as digital currency. Got it? Okay. This is the first reward. Now, second reward is what? Second reward is more valuable than the first one. Now, what do you think? Like, what is that one more valuable thing than BTC? Everything is not about the price. Some things are for the lessons, and that lessons comes from where? Experience. Experience is one of those precious thing, like priceless thing. You can also say is one of those priceless thing which you cannot put money on. like gaining experience and learning something, learning mistakes, learning new things and blah blah thing coming with the experience. We cannot put money price on this, like this is this much worth, this is that much worth. It is priceless. Experience give you the way of the life, the way you should look, the perspective, new perspective, old perspective. It can help you build from. If you're falling, experience, learn it, rise. Now that one experience, Zibit again offers you in the free of cost. So why it offers everything in the free of cost? Because we love our family. To be very like a simple answer to it is that we love our family. We want to be helpful to them in each and every way possible. Got it? So what? Free experience. No experience of what? Experience of what? Make us easy. All the people who are coming on this live stream, who are coming on this platform, very less people know about legitly what is cryptocurrency, how to trade into it, what are the trades option you get, and every of those things. Maximum people have no idea about what cryptocurrency is, why it is having this much huge prices, why people are putting crazy investment into it. Nobody knows it. But if you don't know anything, this is that offer for all people, reward for all of the people, that free experience you get in future trading. Cryptocurrency offers you not just this week, like see, first thing, the most valuable, the most profitable market. Second thing, everybody gets a chance. You cannot just say like, okay, bro, it's too expensive, I don't have a chance. What is that? Once again, there's something in a, like, I don't know that language, it came in my mail. You, let's use coupon before expire. Congratulations, you get okay, got it. Okay, it's nothing related to that. Nothing related to that. Coming back to topic. Yeah, I was saying free experience, because cryptocurrency is the only platform which offers you something which is like, either people are like, I don't have this much amount of money to invest in such valuable amount, because obviously we don't have $92K. Don't worry at all. Zibit will take care of it as well. Now, how? Zibit offers you a future trading option. Future trading is basically like, you are not actually buying or selling it. You are pseudo in the market, like you are not actually in the market. You are just observing the market, and you are just saying like, I feel this can happen in the market, or I feel that can happen in the market. That's all you are doing. Future trading is a prediction game. Don't consider it a game thing, because because I said game, is for your understanding. Prediction for what? Prediction for the price of the cryptocurrency, whatever price it. You are watching BTC. Now BTC today is $92K. What will happen in the next hour? What will happen in the next 2 hours? What will happen in the next week, maybe year, maybe that, maybe this. Today after okay, okay. You can get a free experience of future trading. The one trading which doesn't make you feel like you are poor or you don't have money to invest or something like that. The one trading platform, the one way of trading which will make you feel like we are equals and we have an equal amount of chance to be rich. Same like those whales, same like those institutes, same like those corporates, same like those New York session people, same like that. But yes, obviously, if you want to be successful, if you want to do something big in your life, you have to take a chance, and that chance is a future trading. Future trading is basically like, even if what. Welcome all the user, by the way. Okay, I'm not saying welcome to everybody, but yeah, welcome all the user, and be connected, because this one live stream I'm gonna give, you can clearly see new user bonus. There is one more new reward added to the Zibit. Zibit is going crazy in the reward session. They are not stopping only. People thinks like, oh, cryptocurrency is enough. No, free future trading. Free future trading is enough. No, free knowledge, Free knowledge is enough? No. Referral commission. Referral commission is enough? No. AI quant bot which will tell you which coin to trade as well with the signals. That is enough. 5 rewards offers are enough? No. One more from my side. Because obviously this is not for like one second, one second. I have to ask one question and then we can move on. That's one question. I hope I get response fast. Cool. Yeah. So where were we? Where were we? Where were we? Web page. Okay. Cool. People are over there. Welcome user, new users. Welcome user 430742. Welcome user 227367. Welcome all the users. Welcome. Welcome on the live stream. Like I was telling you all people that the future trading is just what prediction. You get a chance even if you cannot buy the spot thing, because obviously it's like very expensive. We cannot directly buy Ethereum, we cannot directly buy XRP, Solana, blah blah coins, which are the most like top 3, top 4 kind of coins. We cannot buy because it's very expensive. Okay, in this way you can actually trade in Ethereum even if you're having the less investment. That is totally fine. Zbit will take care of you by providing you the future trading in which you don't even have to buy or sell anything, even by doing just a normal hold and normal prediction. Hold of XYZ quantity, like when you invest, like if you invest 100 USDT, if whatever that price of, like for example, let's say Ethereum is some 3,000 something, right? Today, what is Ethereum's price today? 3,243. Now 100 USDT worth of Ethereum you will hold for whatever period, like maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hour, maybe 3 hour, maybe 4 hour, depending on whatsoever profit you want. Okay, that's it. You are not buying. For buying 100 USDT, like for legitimately doing a spot trading, you need a lot of investment for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, for Solana, for XRP. But just by doing a simple prediction, you can actually earn a bigger amount. How? By taking a leverage. Leverage is something like your bigger brother is there who will help you in every case scenario. Like if you need money, come take it from me, and I don't even want it from you in return. Just by doing a simple predictions, if the market can go up or the market can fall down, you can earn a very huge amount of profits, because even with 10 USDT, you can open 1,000 USDT worth of trade by taking what? By taking 100x of leverage. Or by taking 10x of leverage, you can open 100 by 50, 500, something, some such kind of thing with a leverage, with a small to small to small investment, and make that thing bigger. So you don't have the FOMO, you don't have the fear of missing out. Like everybody is having huge money with my 10 USDT, what I'm going to do? No, that's where you're wrong. Even with your 10 USDT, even with your 20 USDT, even with your 30, 40, 50 or 5 USDT, you can earn a bigger profit. Just one thing you need to make sure that your prediction goes right. That's all. That's all. And even if whatever I'm saying, you are not understanding it, that's the exact thing what free experience means. Zbit offers you a free experience of the future trading. Like you come, take money from us. We'll give you the bonus of 20 USDT. In that 20 USDT bonus, you take the trade. Don't worry about the investment, we will provide it. Don't worry about the risk. Even if you lose the money, we won't ask it from you, because that was a free experience. With this free experience, what are you getting to know? How a crypto market moves, because we have heard so much thing like crypto market is a high volatility compared to the stock industry, commodities. All those people, like market moves very fast here. Like it can be in whatever moment, it can be up down. For one moment you will see very heavy investment came, next 5 minutes the whole investment is gone. That kind of stuff happens in the cryptocurrency. But I told you this one thing, volatility is actually a like very huge advantage in future trading. Why? More the volatility, more the profit you can earn. Just your prediction should right. How? What am I doing in the future trading? Predicting the price should go above or fall. Now we require constant changes to earn big amount of profit in a daily wise. Like in a one day, if market is just moving very slowly up, and at the end of the day it's also in that same direction, we are not going to have a very huge amount of profit. And that's what's happening with the stock future and industry future and commodities future. We are not going to earn, we are not earning that huge amount of money because the movement is very slow and less. But in the cryptocurrency, that is the one thing which is makes the future trading the one of the best of best profitable trading. Because future trading is like volatility is like a best friend of future trading. If volatility is there, future trading is the most profitable one. We get the volatility sudden up, you predicted market is gonna go up, you got whatever huge pump, 5%, 10%, 15% of pump, you got the bigger amount of profit. You predicted the market is gonna fall down, you did the short trade. I think the market price is gonna fall down, and you took that trade, and then you are gonna have a bigger amount of profit in that as well. In a spot trading, we can earn in one way only: buy cheap, sell high. That's all. In future trading, whatever is happening in the market is okay. Market going up, I can make profit. You have seen this one thing, like whenever market crashes, everybody starts panicking. Like, I'm gonna lose money, I'm gonna lose this, I'm gonna lose this, I'm gonna lose this, blah 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 situations. But even in that situation, even when the whole market is crashing, you can change that crash, you can change that sadness into happiness by just predicting the market can fall. Simple. And earn a huge amount of profit with it. Volatility helps in what way? Like in one day, at least you can catch 4 to 5 trades because of the volatility. Like in one day, 4 to 5 times market will give you like a big movement to capture, to get, to earn profit. And that comes from the future trading. All these things which I told you right now, all these things you can learn from that free experience. I'm not saying that you enter in the first place with your investment. No, take our investment. Second reward is a free experience of future trading that we will give you the 20 USDT. Take an experience of how market moves, how future trading can give you profit, in what way it can give you profit, what you need to do, how you need to do, how to use ZBit for earning the maximum amount of profit. You can do it by that free experience, just by gaining that free experience. And little extra punch in it. What is that extra punch? Like I said to you, what you will be getting once you open, like for example, you're the new user, you have created account, you got the lucky spin. Next thing, whenever you see the home page, a pop-up will come on your screen. A pop-up saying, get your, like, do the free first free trade on the future trading with the 20 USDT bonus. It will be shown on your future balance, not on the spot balance, because like I said to you, it's only a future trading experience, not the spot. Spot, we are doing it from the childhood. Whatever we are, whenever we are going to a shop, we giving money, we give the stuff, that is basically spot. Or getting an ownership. I give money, you give me the product, now I am the owner of that product. That's a basically spot understanding. Future is a little hard to understand. That's what we offer you free. You will have a pop-up. That pop-up will say what? That pop-up will be of what market you want to take a trade. And trust me, it won't be a shitty market, but it will be the most top two of the crypto market. One is BTC, second is Ethereum. It will ask you, like, which is the one which you want to trade. Do you want to trade in BTC? Do you want to trade in Ethereum? Yes, user 842275, you wrote is. What do you mean by is? I don't understand. Question mark. I don't understand this thing. What do you mean by is? Is, that's what. Is. I don't understand. So if you want to say something, please be elaborate yourself. Like what you actually want to say. If you drop a random stuff, how will I get a sense into the random stuff? Okay. So user 842275, whatever your doubt is, if you're having doubt, if you're having anything, please type in the comment section in a proper way so that I can give you a proper response. Got it? Good. So I was telling you this one thing, that you get a pop-up. That pop-up will say what? Either you want to trade on BTC or you want to trade on Ethereum, and that will be 20 USDT bonus. Okay. Now, once you pick whatsoever market you want to say, like let's say you picked BTC. You picked BTC. Now a small chart will be shown of a BTC. Second pop-up, a small chart of BTC and two option of buy and sell. Now understand this one thing, do not get confused. It is not a spot trading. Even though it says buy and sell, in future we don't say buy sell. Even in here, if you go, yeah, this is the future thing, future panel. If you can go by this, you see in the bottom you can see future panel, and you will see this. Can you see open short and open long? Okay, these are the authentic one in which use the future trading. We say long and short. We don't say buy and sell. But in your app, it must be buy and sell. How? See, if you go at the three dot on the top, then can you see over here classic mode and easy mode? If you click on that easy mode, so that you don't have confusion like what do you mean by long, what do you mean by short, that's why it shows you simple buy and sell. But actually it is called as long and short. I am telling you because you should have an information of that. Don't get confused that you are going to buy a cryptocurrency, like you're going to buy a Bitcoin or something like that. No, you are not going to buy a Bitcoin. You're just going to predict if the price is going to go up or not. Small chart will pop up. If you cannot do a market analysis from that small chart, completely fine. What you can do is just go on the TradingView platform, watch the chart, do your market analysis and think, what can be the next movement? Can it be a buy movement where you are saying that the market price can go up, or can it be a sell movement where you think like the market price can drop down? That's it. That's it. Future trading is that simple. Either up or either down. There is no third or fourth option. No, just two options. What will be happening in the market next? If your prediction goes right, you're earning huge amount of profit. Not like a spot one. Spot depends on the quantity. If you buy heavy quantity, then you get a heavy like profit. But even in a year, if you invest 10 USDT, take a leverage of 50, 60, 70, you can make that 10 into maybe 50, maybe 60, or maybe even 100. Depends on the market profit, market movement. If it gives you 10% of movement, that 10 can become like maybe 100. In one single trade, you can do that. And that is offered by what? Future trading. Okay, so you will see the small chart and there will be two options of buy and sell. Do not get confused. Buy means price prediction going up. Sell means price prediction falling down. That's all. You see, if you want to see a chart in some different like bigger screen, you can check it. And also there are two things which every user forgets. What is that thing? If market is having a sideways market, you have an option to enter later as well. There is no compulsory thing that you have to enter a right point only. There is no compulsory thing like that. You can enter later as well. You can just simply put on the cross. Market is not having momentum, totally fine. Put on the cross. Again, when you close and open the app, the pop-up will come again. It will remind you each and every time whenever you open the trade, so that open the app, so that you will be knowing that yes, you still have that one free trade, one free experience yet to receive. Got it? So, and let's say like you have, okay, there is a momentum and this is a right point to enter in the market. You decided like, I think market price can go up. I put the buy position. Your trade is active now. Trade is active till what point? Trade is active till this 1 hour. Like countdown of 1 hour will start. In that countdown of 1 hour, whatever XYZ profit you can gain. See, I'll tell you, this is a win-win situation. In both scenario, you are winning. In one scenario, if you let's say that you predicted the price is gonna go up and price went up as well, whatever profit you are gonna earn, that is completely your profit, a real profit which you can use for trade, which you can withdraw as well. That 20 USD bonus is not withdrawable. Okay, you cannot withdraw that 20 USD bonus. It is used for investment, only for investment. If you gain profit from it, like for example 20, and from that 20 you gain 10 USD profit, so it becomes 30. In the available balance, it will not show 30. It will only show 10. Whatever your profit is, even if it's 0.005 profit, it will show only 0.005. That's all. Understood? Okay. After these things, after that thing, your profit you got, and that is completely your profit. Win situation. How? Two wins. First, gaining experience of how future trading works. Second, getting the profit, the real profit from your first attempt, like a lucky beginner, lucky thing, like a lucky first lucky attempt kind of stuff you can consider. Or you may be like already knowing about the market analysis, then more better for you. Like with a free investment, you are earning a real profit, that too maybe huge profit depending on what kind of market you capture. Next thing, next scenario, let's say your prediction went wrong. Because yes, for sure, like say you in the one day, no, not in one day, but let's say just 10 trades you predicted, whatever, up, down, up, down, up, down. From the 10 trades, it's very common that maybe 3 to 4 trade will go wrong because crypto is little uncertain. Okay, it will go wrong, and that's totally fine. That it's also totally fine. Why? If in the future, first free experience of future trader, even if you lose that whole 20 USDT or 5 or 6 or 7, whatever you lose, you don't have to pay anything. And that's a win situation. You are not getting profit. That's not win-win, just a win situation. Win how? You are gaining an experience. You are knowing what to do in the future market. Even before investing your own money, you know what not to do, the do's and the don'ts of the market. Because obviously people learn from their own mistake as well. If you made a mistake, entry went wrong, prediction went wrong, obviously the next thing you will keep that thing in mind and it can be helpful for your next profit. Got it? This is the second rule. There are some common mistake people do and common doubts people have. First thing, like I told you already, that 20 USDT is not withdrawable. You cannot withdraw that 20 USD bonus. Got it? Second thing is that it will be just for 1 hour. Once, if for example you entered at right now it is 130. 130 you entered, 230 that trade will be closed automatically. If you want to close before that, yes, you have that option. But if you don't close it in that 1 hour, automatically that trade will be closed with whatever XYZ profit or whatever XYZ loss. If you want to close before, you have that option as well. You can close it before as well. There is also option of that. Got it? Cool. Now, next thing, what people make a mistake is they think like, see, you are giving me 20. Basically, I am giving you 20 investment to take a trade, to take the first free trade in the future trading. They will work a little smart. Like, what if I put in my account 10, you give me 20, and I will take 30 USDT of bigger trade? No, that thing won't happen. The moment you deposit any kind of amount before using that 20 USDT, that 20 USDT free experience will be gone from your account. You will not have that 20 USDT bonus. Because we'll think like, okay, he already has the knowledge of the market, he already knows, he already have money, everything. He don't need experience. Something like that. Okay. So if you deposit before using that 20 USDT, like making that 20 to 30, 40 for investment, that thing is not gonna happen. Your profit whole withdrawable, you can withdraw it, you can trade it, you can do whatever with it. Second thing, that loss we will bear it, you don't have to pay anything. So you are gaining a profit of the most profitable trade, which is future trade. Compared to spot, future is more profitable. Why? Because it allows you to win profit each and every day. Because every day there is a moment in the market, every day there is something, maybe small, maybe huge, maybe medium, maybe largest moment in the market of the cryptocurrency. Every day there is something. There won't be, even if it's going sideways, even in that sideways, even if that 2 candle, you can earn money. 3 candle, you can earn money. Market going up, you can earn money. Market falling down, you can earn money. In every case scenario, you can earn money. And that too with the most least amount of investment. Don't worry of the investment. We got you. Will provide you the leverage which will help you to take bigger trades even with the smallest investment. Got it? Let's talk about the third reward and offer. Welcome user 995573. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Please make sure today's live stream is very important because I am announcing a new reward which can help you achieve or give free cryptocurrency again by doing one simple step. Okay, so please make sure to stay on the live stream until you hear that thing. Okay, third reward is basically this live stream which provides you help, support, knowledge, anything related to the crypto world, just related to the crypto world. No charity donation. Please don't ask like free money, like give me free, give me free, give me free. Now I used to get a lot of this thing like in my comment section, can you give me 20 USDT, can you give me 30 USDT, can you give me 40 USDT, something like that, like free money. I have acknowledged your issues. I have acknowledged that you are lacking some money. for that one thing, obviously I won't provide you the thing which you asked. You will get somewhere in the middle. And that middle is, which you can see, a new user bonus, which is one Dogecoin from me, from Yash, which you can see, one Dogecoin from me. But for that, you have to do one very simple thing for me. In this live stream, there are three functions. Three functions in this live stream. Comment section, in which you will help to solve your query, doubts, confusion, gain knowledge. Second thing is trade. Whenever I give you the live trades, you tap on the trade and take the same trades. And third is the deposit. I told you this one thing, that if you deposit more than 3 times in my live stream, I'll give you free USDT, free all those kind of stuff. I have bought something for new users. That was for existing users. I have bought something exclusive for new user. Now, what is that? Any new user, whenever the first deposit, you take that free cryptocurrency, you use that free 20 USD bonus for taking a trade, you do every of those things. But when the time comes for you to invest, when the time comes for you to take a trade, I want you to deposit from this place. Can you see live stream? Tap on this live stream and deposit from this. Can you see a deposit option over here? Click on the deposit option and deposit from here only. First deposit of the new user. Like if you're a new user, you haven't done deposit till now. Now I will give you extra one thing. Either you can do two things. One is a plain normal deposit, which will not give you any rewards, which will not give you any free coins or something, or same exact thing from my live stream. How much effort are you going to take? Just tapping into one option of, where is that? Yeah, tapping into one option of live. That's it. That's the first effort. Second effort is tapping into the deposit. That's all. That's all. Two step. Live, deposit. That's it. First deposit of your from my live stream can help you achieve a one free Dogecoin from me. And I thought about it a lot, like what kind of coin shall I give? Shall I give altcoins? Shall I give stable coins? Then I thought about this one thing, that see, meme coins, I get it, they don't have a like fundamentals or financial fundamentals. Okay, I get it, they are made for fun, they are not financial coins or something like that. But even if, why my this has become this, welcome BTC invited get a first preference. How? We'll see it later. There are something new offers are more coming. Okay, so I was telling you this, like I thought about it a lot, like why Dogecoin? Out of all the coins, why Dogecoin? Because Dogecoin is that one meme coin which was the most popular, the one coin which gave the most profit, the one coin which is highly influenced, and that too by none other than the Elon Musk. He has that one higher authority of the Dogecoin. Like very viral thing happened at that time. Like when he texted Dogecoin to the moon, everybody started investing, and then it pumped. Then people earned so much money from it. People think, like, see, if you talk about technical, yes, meme coins are not worth it because they made for fun. But as it's a crypto market, even the funniest thing, even the fakest thing, even the not fake, but like no, even not even if it doesn't have financial fundamentals, still that coin can help you achieve a bigger amount of profit. And that is the Dogecoin which I'm offering to you. The world's most, I will say, according to my opinion, okay, everybody will have a different opinion of the world's most famous meme coin. For me, it's a Dogecoin because of its highly influential connection with Elon Musk. Okay, so I am going to offer you a one free Dogecoin, which you never know in the next year, next 2 year, next 3 year can pump and maybe go to 50 or maybe 60, maybe 100, maybe 200, maybe 1000, who knows what. Nobody knows when the influence will come by some any higher celebrity or some any higher people who is like who has a huge follower, and the coin will start pumping again, will start giving you profit again. Because this is what I'm going to offer you is a spot coin, not the future coin. No, spot coin, which is you get the ownership of that coin, complete ownership. But you have to do what? Use the better option. Obviously, see, you have, like I said to you, you have two ways of deposit. One is the most normal way in which you will go to homepage, you will go to the spot future, click on the deposit, click on withdrawal and blah blah, those kind of stuff. What you can do is like the normal homepage. And second one, same exact thing. There is no difference in it. There is no difference. Like in here, the deposit will have different exchange rate. In here, deposit will have different exchange. It's same, but place is different. Homepage, no reward, no profit. Totally fine if you don't need one Dogecoin free of cost. But if you need one coin free of cost, meme coin, the most popular meme coin, which has a high influential of those people, which can make it to the moon again. So please make sure to deposit from the live stream function itself, and it will work on the first deposit. Okay, so for the existing user, if you are an existing user, it won't work for you. It is only for first deposit. If you make a first deposit, I will give you the most popular meme coin out there to earn greater amount of profit. You can hold it for, like, it's basically you can stack into your locker. You can have it like, first you got that free cryptocurrency, maybe something in that, maybe something in this. Slowly, even without doing an investment, you are stacking your cryptocurrency vault with cryptocurrencies. Again, the most valuable currency in the whole world right now. What you need to do? Live stream, deposit. Can you see deposit over here? That's the only thing you need to do. Live stream and deposit. That's it. That's it. And get a chance to earn a free Dogecoin from me. Okay, but there are some things which you need to do. One, like I said, you have to do the first deposit. Second thing, join our Telegram channel. Join. There is a need for it for you, not for us, because we already created it, but you are not part of it. Zbit has one community which takes care of each other. For example, any new update came, we'll provide you the intel. Any new reward came, we'll provide you the knowledge. We'll provide you that information. Any new things comes in the market, any new thing is added in the Zbit, anything it is. Any major updates, major, minor, both, or any daily news updates, like what is going on in the crypto market, what is, how does the news look, because news has a sentiment impact on the market as well. If there is positive, pump will happen, negative, dump will happen. All those things are available at the Zbit community of Telegram channel. This channel will offer you all the information regarding the crypto world, all the information regarding Zbit, all the information regarding new, minor, major updates in the Zbit. Plus thing, you get to be with the family. You get to know the Zbit, everything. You are like more one step closer. One thing you did is you opened the account. That is the one thing. You are closer, but not that close. Why? Because you're not getting those updates. You can contact the customer service, you can get that info, but you can come on live stream, you can ask me that info. But if you want to have it at the real time, whenever something big happens, we put it on the stream, we put it on that group. Whenever something massive is going to happen, maybe 1 day after, maybe 2 day after, maybe 3 day after, we put it on the group. Whenever something, there is a very huge trade option, like this is that guaranteed trade which can help you earn very massive amount of profit, we put in that group. So why miss a chance to be one more step closer to the Zbit family, which can provide you intel, information, everything related to the crypto market and everything. And that too, the see, for gaining knowledge, you have to come to the live stream. I will share you the news, I will share you what's happening. But that is 24/7 available. 24/7, even if in any sessions, if you are sleeping and there is a New York session happening, you might get a notification that something huge is going to happen in New York session, and this is your right time to put investment. That is a very huge beneficial thing for all of you people to gain that information. And now, from where? Obviously, see, everything is inside a live stream. That's why before that challenge of 100 to 1000, we used to call what, your one pit stop for crypto guide, because this live stream is actually one pit stop. You can do everything from this live stream. Watch, gain knowledge, take a trade, deposit. Plus, if you click on that more option, if you click more, then you can see our channels, the Telegram fans and Telegram group. This, if you click on this, let's click on that one second. If I click on this, It will take me to the browser. This is our exhibit community of a Telegram, and just join it. And that's all. That's all. We will verify all those things that you have joined the community for your benefit. And second thing, you have deposited from my live stream so that I can give you a reward as well. That is like right now world's famous meme coin, which is a Doge. Okay, you can call it one of the famous. For me, it's famous because of it's linked with high profiles. Even the Trump was promoting it at a point. Okay, so you get what? Free Dogecoin from me. Don't miss out this opportunity, because it can be a limited offer as well. Who knows when I will change my mind? Who knows when I will take that trade away from you? Who knows when, sorry, not trade. Who knows when I will take that reward away from you? Or maybe you won't receive the bonus. But till the time is available, go and grab it by just doing 2 steps. Okay? Sorry. Go and grab it just by doing 2 steps. One, first deposit should be from the live stream function. Second, join a Telegram channel. That's all. That's all. What else you need to do? To gain profit, what else you need to do? How much simpler I can make it for you? I'm not telling you to go take a trade every day. I'm not telling you to go the risk your money and everything without risking any money. Just for deposit, you are getting a free cryptocurrency. Do you want to miss out such chance? Just such chance. Just for like showing money, like putting money into the market, not take a trade. You haven't risked the money till now. Just put as a capital amount, and you get a free Doge coin, world's famous meme coin, completely free of cost from my side. Because obviously, slowly, we are increasing everything in our live stream. The numbers are increasing, everything. People are coming a lot, and every of those things. People start asking questions and everything. Hi, user 995573. Hi, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming. If you have any doubt, anything, please take the action in asking a question, clearing your doubt, or anything. Anything it is. Okay, related to the crypto world only. Okay, welcome user 482356. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. If you're a new user, make sure to do first deposit from the live stream so that you can get the first free Doge coin, completely free of cost. A spot coin without paying money. It's like basically you went to Nike store without even paying anything. You got the Nike shoes free. Who won't want it? If you don't have to pay anything, but you still can get it for free, who don't want it? And just by doing a very simple procedures, live stream deposit, join the Telegram channel. Like, it's a peanuts. You can do it like this. Okay, cool. So those are the rewards for till now. I said 4. Yeah, live stream I said. Then this new user I said right now, and 2 are like, one is feature and one is referral commission. It's not like a very reward, but if you help us grow more our community, invite more people on our platform, obviously we won't let your effort go waste. We will provide you money for that, which is basically our referral commission program. If you like Zbit, and if you want your friends, family, colleagues to earn the same amount of profit, to earn same amount of rewards, be a family of the most profitable platform out there. So the more people you invite, the more we will give you money. Obviously, it won't be like we just want free marketing or something like that. All your efforts will be paid. All your efforts. And not just small, but big efforts. Let me explain you. This is referral commission. Okay, this is the referral commission. You have an invite code. Okay, if you look at this one place, let's go homepage. Yeah, can you see a homepage? In that homepage, can you see this thing? This is my live section. This is the rewards offer spot. This is future, and in the homepage itself. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere. In the homepage itself, in the corner, you can see that referral. Right? Click on that thing, and you will get that. Either you can have the link, like you can share the link, or you can have the code. Where they have to put it, which is the most important thing. Okay, without this you cannot You cannot get the profit. You cannot get the money just for inviting people. Where to put it? You have to put it over here. Invitation code. This invitation code, just by doing copy and paste, you can earn money. Copy your invitation, give it to your friend, he will paste it over here, he will sign up, and you got money. So that's that. It's that simple. And there is no limit as well. But like there is one small limit, but not that big limit. There are 4 levels. Level 1, if you invite, like see, invitation code, the most important thing. Without invitation code, we will not know if it's registered under you. If you say like my friend forgot the invitation code and blah, we don't trust. Even if he's your friend, even if you show the chat, the rules are very simple. Invite code, copy paste. Like even it's not even a hard job to forget or something. You just have to copy and you just have to paste. That's all. That's simple. In level 1, if you invite 1 to 4 people, you get 20% of commission from Zbit. 20% just for inviting 1 to 4 people. That you can find in your own family itself. You don't even have to go out. If you have like I said, average family has what, 4 to 5 phones, 4 to 5 numbers, 4 to 5 email address. That's all. With your family member itself, you can earn 20% of free money from us. Level 2, if you invite 5 to 9 people on the Zbit app by doing the same procedure, invite code they have to put, you will be getting a 30% of commission. So you can clearly see this percentage are not increasing by 1%, 2%, or 5%. Straight up 10% of hike you will get if you come to the second level. Now same thing, if you do level 3, 10 to 29 people. Now I get it, like 29 might feel little too much, but to be very frank, like in a day-to-day life, don't we meet like more than 30 to 40 people? Even in 30 to 40 people, maybe 10 might be get confused, 10 might get convinced that yeah, I really think cryptocurrency is the most profitable. Plus you can tell them how Zbit is making your journey effortless and giving you support 24/7 in each case scenario. Whatever doubt, whatever things, whatever you need to ask, 10 to 29 people will give you 40% of commission. 40% of commission. And last is level 4. There are no level 5, level 6. Last is level 4. If you do 30 and infinite, 30 is the last. Beyond 30 is whatever, 50, 60, 100. If you say like I need 100, I need more commission, no. Last is 30 and beyond. If you do 30 and beyond, you get 50% of commission. By doing what? Did you took a trade? No. Did you invested something? No. Did you did any gain any knowledge of trading? No. What you did? I did copy and I did paste. That's the most simplest way of gaining money from Zbit. Okay. I don't know how much simpler I have to make it for all of you people to earn money. Like it's basically Zbit is shouting at all of you people, earn money, join Zbit, earn money, join Zbit. That's what we are shouting at. I have opened you multiple ways to gain rewards, multiple ways to gain profit, multiple ways to make your trading life like profitable. Basically, this is referral commission. Okay. Now you will say experience was the only thing, but there are so many cryptocurrency. First, we don't know so much about cryptocurrency. It's very new concept for us. Understood. I got it. Then you will say there are so many cryptocurrency out in that thing. How do I pick one which will give me profit? Understood. I got it. You don't even have to come to the live stream. You don't even have to be here, like be on my live stream to ask me, Yash, can you tell me about this cryptocurrency, which can be the profitable, which one I should trade and everything. You don't have to ask. Zbit has like, we are like most of like feedback, improve, feedback, improve. We saw one feedback, we get it, like a lot of people have a very like cryptocurrency is very new for them, very new. They don't get it, like what is this, what is that. They just see candles, they enter and they trade. That's all they're doing, not understanding the core meaning of anything. Get it? It's fine. But for this thing, like which coin to pick, obviously there are so many options. There are not one option in the, even the ZBT you go in the market, trade. Okay, even in the future, one second, it's loading. One second, yeah. Even in the future, there are so many options. Now you might not know which is the trendy coin right now, which is that coin today is giving you profit, which is that coin today in this hour is giving the best profit for all of you people. You don't know, don't worry, because Zbit is there as well. Like how much simpler I can make, I don't know, but yes, we have made it more simpler. AI can't bot for all of your query, for all of your effort, like all of your help in picking which coin, in picking which signal, in picking what kind of percentage and every of those things. We have introduced a new AI quant bot in the Zbit app. If you don't see it, just go on Play Store, update your thing, it will show over there. And now this AI quant bot will do what? The same exact thing which you need. He will find you the best and the best coin to trade in, not like 10 20. Okay, obviously from the 10 20 you will again get confused which one to trade. This AI con bot will give you an hourly update, not a one day update, hourly update. Like every hour it will give you an update of this is the last trendy coins with the percentage, with signal as well, whether you should go for short or whether you should go for long, with that huge intel. Like basically just watch and take a trade, simple as that. But yes, there are some drawbacks as well. Drawbacks like AI signals cannot be true all the time. It might be true, it might come true, it might give you profit, every of those things. Hi user 995573. Hi, hello. It might give you profit sometime, but obviously you have to make sure. Some AI signal may can go wrong as well. If it says you long, it may happen short and you can lose money as well. So don't be too dependent on AI. Use your, gain your knowledge rather than just depending on AI. Okay. So this is that one massive feature we have introduced for all of those people who are having difficulties in finding which coin to trade, which coin will give me profit, which coin will give me this, which coin will give me that, and blah 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 scenario. It was giving that thing, and now we have found the best way for all people, that is AI con bot, which will look like, yeah, can you see AI con bot? The bot name is Z, as the Zbit. We named it Z, and this Zbit gives you like sometime it gives you three, sometime it gives you four, but most common it will give you two options. Like these are the two coins right now. It will give you all the percentage as well. Best profit till now point the profit has earned is 112.62 percentage, and in SPX USDT it is earned 96.98 percentage. Plus, can you see it will show perp means this perpetual contract. It's a never ending contract, basically, that you don't have to wait for the ending date of the contract, expiry date of the contract. No, you don't have to wait. Perpetual is like you entered, if you have money, that trade can go on for forever. Okay, like it won't liquidate you if you keep money in your account. If you don't keep, if the moves goes here wrong, if you go for long, go for short, the market went for short, you will liquidate, the trade will close. But from one, like for example, let's say that I will give you that example, or I'll give you that example. There is that one example which is actually true facts. Okay, it's not false thing. The last swing low of the market was what? 87K. Now from this point, market has till now point, like from December 7. Yeah. From December 7, market has not even for one moment has came below 87K dollars, not came below that. So that means all the people who have predicted, who have entered at this point of 87K, that market will be in a long position, they still are active in the market if they want. If they want to exit the market, they have the option as well. Okay, it's not like that you have to forcefully have to stay in the market. No, but if you don't exit, you still can be in the market even if after 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. If from your entry point market doesn't give you the cross movement, you are not having loss, you're just going to have profit, 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 and that trade can go on forever and ever till the point like if you get liquidated and direction changes. That's all. Okay, so this is that thing. Yeah, the AI convert thing, which will give you the perpetual contract. Every coin in the future contract is perpetual contract in the zbit, and plus it will give you an option. Where is it? Yeah, can you see it is written sell and sell, both are written sell. Sell means that it is telling you that right now these coins are having a signal of sell. Like you can go take a trade of sell side, like you can just go predict the market is going to fall. This is the AI signal. How much things you can get in one feature, in one single feature of AI con board, which is named Z, will give you coin to trade, percentage, how much it has achieved till now point, so that you can know like will the reversal come soon or it won't come soon. And third thing, it will give you signal as well, whether you can go for buy or whether you can go for sell. Such simplest way. I don't know how, like we have the tagline. If you can see, if you can go to the home page or like to the web portal or something, it will say that Zbit is the most beginner friendly app for crypto trading. And I don't see why. We are giving you signals, we are giving you coins, we are giving you everything. We are giving you reward, we are giving you free cryptocurrencies, we are giving you free experience, we are giving you free knowledge. Trust me on this. I swear to God, the thing which I'm doing right now, the live stream thing, it's basically the paid courses. Like for learning trading completely free of cost in the live stream is a paid course that you pay some XYZ amount and then you get the information, the knowledge of the trading and blah, which I am doing completely free of cost for all of you people on this live stream. Okay. So please be aware, rather than paying money to the classes and blah blah, take action just for asking questions, doubts, and queries. You don't have to climb the mountain or something. You just have to comment, I don't know this. Can you tell me this? I don't know that. Can I give information, knowledge of this, knowledge of that? Can you help me make the profit? Can you help me achieve the good trading? Is the only thing which you need to do. Comment, ask, I will provide the help completely free of cost. I don't know how much simpler a Zibit.com can make it for all of you people to be in that most. Yes, it is a competitive market. At the same point, yes, it is the most profitable market, but at the same point, it's the most competitive market. It is like that's what creates the most uncertainty in the market. Sudden drop, sudden fall. You don't know what's going to happen. Such kind of stuff. You get to trade in those kind of market with all the guidance which you can have. Everything. We are. What is happening in my main systems? Why there is someone? I am not even applying for anything. Session successful. Security reminder that your BT account where we have detected new login attempt. BT account. Forex. Let's take a screenshot of this. Alt. Let's see. Alt this. P. Alt this. Q. Q. D. Z. What is it? Control Shift 3. No. Control Shift S. No. Control Shift A. Yes. Now I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Download it. Save it. Ask help. Screenshot. Continue. Ignore it is the option to ignore it. Okay. So, got to know everything about the new reward and every of those things. How you can get the free Dogecoin for completely free of cost from my side, my treat. That's my treat. But you just need to do one thing. Rather than doing the plain simple normal deposit, come on the live stream, chat with me and do a deposit and earn a chance to get a free one Dogecoin, a spot coin in your account straight. We will credit into your account, which you can hold forever, which you can hold for a longer benefits or anything, because you know it's the most influenced meme coin out there. Got it? So don't waste your time in the plain normal deposit. I got you the new way of deposit. First deposit, come on the live stream and I can help you earn one more Dogecoin. In that five reward, I can add it six. Maybe next week I can add seven as well. Maybe eight, maybe nine, maybe I'm going for 10. 10 rewards for all of people. Welcome, user 256051. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming. Please make sure to hit maximum deposit on the trading. Do trading. Trading is the most safest, easiest, effortless way of earning passive of income. You lose money, completely fine. Win and lose is a part of trade. You cannot have one same thing forever. Even your father, even your mother, even your family has a good and bad side. Nothing is just good in the whole life. Everything has one bad side. Trading has it, like you can earn profit, but if you are like this, like what do you say, reckless, like you are not looking at the market, you're not doing market analysis, you're not doing a prediction right, then it can eat up your money as well. Okay, you have that option. Welcome user 217239. Welcome user 573949. Welcome on the live stream. I am giving you the new I am giving you the new offer to earn one Dogecoin from my side. Do two things: deposit from the live stream and just go and be a part of the Telegram community, because you have to get information, intel, news is related to the crypto world. Okay, because that channel is 24/7 available. My live stream is just for 4 hours, and that too for 5 days. That 24/7, and even you can find me over there. Even if you want to talk about anything regarding me, you can just comment something XYZ, like Yash, @Yash, or @this. You can see my username over there. You can just comment, ask me anything. I'll be 24/7 available for all of the people to help in any case. Battery, my battery, my battery, my battery, my battery. Shit. Okay. So it's 2 hours. I've talked about everything related to the Zbit, every offers, every rewards, everything which you should be grabbing, which you should be grabbing, which you should be knowing about everything. We'll move on to the second part of the live stream, which is do you want to learn regarding what shall I make you learn today? Do you want to learn regarding a new strategy? Very easy, very basic, very simple strategy. This strategy can help you achieve trades, profitable trades. This strategy can help you achieve good, like, consistency in winning the trade as well. This is the most simplest and the most work strategy all over the crypto trading. All over the crypto trading. Like, it was invented by those like expert traders who used to go on YouTube live. They are the one expert trader. They have founded this strategy, which is called as what? ORB strategy, opening range breakout strategy, which will help you to know what a prediction can come for the market, so that you can do it and you can earn profit from it. Okay, so I'll be explaining you an ORB strategy. I will write down over here OR, and I need capital ORB strategy, which is basically called as ORB's full form is opening range breakout. And trust me, as simple as it sounds, that there is opening, then there is a range, and there is going to be breakout. It is exactly the like most simplest strategy ever. You don't have to put much of your brain into it. You don't have to put much of the uh, observation. You just have to find one thing, that is a breakout. Sorry, two things. One is opening range, and second one is breakout. Just two things. And most simplest. For that, you don't even know the knowledge about the structure of the market. What is market doing right now? What is happening in the market? Is it downtrend? Is it uptrend? Is there is some candlestick pattern? Is there some chart pattern? Is there some liquidity zone? Nothing you have to find. Just two things: opening range and that breakout. That's all. The most simplest strategy ever built in the whole crypto trading. Useful. People are using it a lot. People use it in their uh, mostly when the New York session opens, because that's the point where the breakout comes. That's the point where the heavy investment comes. But doesn't have to be necessary. But still, after a small breakout, because obviously I'm screaming why there are some mails which I am receiving in a very weird language. Don't know, but yeah, I'm receiving it. Okay, so like I said to you, that after this 2 hours of like 5 to 10 minutes of break, because obviously I need some rest. I'm speaking since 2 hours, so I will come back with a small short break of 5 to 10 minutes. Till that point, do not go anywhere, and I will give you option. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel till now, just click on the more and join a Telegram channel. And you are the new user over here, just click on the deposit and win a chance, not a chance, win one Dogecoin from me completely free of cost, and that to 100% surety. You do the first deposit from the live stream, I give you Dogecoin. You take it, it's yours. And that's the appreciation token from my side for all of you people for coming on this live stream, for being active on this live stream, for being a part of this live stream. And appreciation for new users. See, because if I start giving it to existing user, then they will do it like maybe in one day they can do 10 deposit and I have to give 10 Dogecoin. Again, I'll go bankrupt. So first deposit only. Sorry for all the new, for the existing user, like you are already did but you didn't got this reward and blah, really sorry for that. But all the new user, best reward, win a free world famous meme coin, that is a Dogecoin, by doing a simple thing which you have two options. One can give you a Dogecoin and one can give you nothing, that is zero. Two way of deposit: one from the normal spot or future, you can click on the deposit, the normal ones which are not going to give you anything, and the other one, if you come on my live stream, do the deposit, I will give you a free Doge, completely free of cost. And those both deposits are same. There is no difference in depositing there or here. The only difference is live stream, I can give you the free coin, normal one cannot give you the free coin. Don't waste your chance to win the free coin from my side. I will be coming back from the 5 to 10 minute break, and we will be learning regarding opening range breakout strategy, the most simplest strategy which you can put into daily use of earning daily profit. Okay, I will come back. Oh shit. Okay, we are back. And like I said to all people, like once I come back, I'll be explaining you the most simplest, easiest strategy of trading in the cryptocurrency, which is called as ORB strategy. I don't know who invented it or something. It got viral a lot because it is actually working the best. Like for example, 10 out of 8 to 7 trades are perfect. 2 to 3 can imbalance, that too only due to some heavy manipulation coming from the like this, like maybe whales, maybe big player, or maybe institutional or corporate people. Only because of those heavy manipulation, maybe 2 to 3 days can go wrong, but most of the time, opening range breakout strategy goes correct. It helps you in understanding the prediction, what can happen next in the market. Wherever it gives you breakout, that's the point for the rest of the day. Or again, like I said, there are some 2 to 3 scenarios we have to leave for those institution, all those people. If they suddenly do something, if sudden news comes, if sudden this comes, if sudden that comes, we have to leave 2 to 3 scenario for those, but rest of the time it works the best. Now let me explain you, what do you mean by opening range breakout strategy, how to identify it, what it is, how to do it, how to trade into it, each and every of those things I'll make you understand. Opening range breakout strategy, ORB for short form. Okay. Okay. We'll uh, we'll divide each and everything. I'll explain you first opening, then I'll explain you the range, and then I'll explain you the breakout. One by one, easy to understand. Opening. Opening means opening not of the candle, not of the market or something, but opening of that day, because we are predicting what can rest of the day looks like. Rest of the day looks like a bullish, in which we predict the market can go up, or the rest of the day looks like bearish, in which we'll predict if we are gonna predict if the market price is gonna fall down. Simple. Opening refers to the first candle of day. That day, like whatever date you are watching, like today is what, today is 12th of December, today is 12th of December. So on 12th of December, first candle of the 12th of December. And let me explain you this one thing, this strategy works the best and should be used on chart time frames. I will write it, I will type it basically. My handwriting side is not good. My handwriting is not good. I'll type it. 1 second. Chart frames to use for this ORB strategy. There are, don't use it on 5 minute, because there are so many noises, sudden movement, sudden crash, sudden up, sudden down. Too many like investment happening in that small period of a time. Okay. Don't go for 5 minutes. You cannot understand very properly what the whole rest can happen in the 5 days. In 5 minutes, sorry, in 5 minutes. Or in the 15, or in the 30, or in the 45. Start from 1 hour, higher time frame. As I told you, we are just observing. I never said that we are going to trade in the chart patterns like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. We are just going to observe the opening of that day in higher time frames. Chart time frames like chart time frames as like 1 hour. Why? Why? Okay. Chart time is like 1 hour, 2 hour, or again, why? What's happening? If I don't understand Chinese, so I don't even know what he's asking for. 3 hour. Array, again. Am I doing something? Is it because I'm typing something? No, if I type, it's not happening. But whenever I type inside this, that is coming. Why? 3 hour only if like some platform offers you 3 hours. Zbit doesn't offer you 3 hours. You can go for 1, 2, and directly 4 hours. Okay. So for that, I don't think so. We even offer 4 hours. Sorry, 2 hours. We don't even offer 2 hours. Better you can watch it at the watch list of the market can be done at the trading view as well. The best place to observe the market. So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and the most best time frame for this strategy to work out the most best is 4 hours. The most prioritized one. See again it came. Am I typing something? I'm just typing just words. 4 and H I type. Let's type 4 again and H. Nothing happens. But if I type in here, then something happens. Okay. So opening range breakout strategy works the best in which time frame? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Zbit doesn't offer you 3 and 2. It offers you 1 and 4. But like I said to you, 4 hour is the best time frame to observe this. Hi, user 482356. Hi, sir. Hi. Hello. Welcome. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming. So like I said, 4 hour is the best time frame, the best of the best. Like it will give you the most accurate response, the more accurate strategy, the most accurate prediction of what the whole day can be like. The whole day can be like sideways, whole day can be like up, whole day can be like down. It will tell you about that. Okay. Now understand this one thing. That I mentioned this thing that we are just observing the higher time frames. We are not taking trades in higher time frames. We will take trades in lower time frames, like maybe 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, or maybe 5 minutes. But we will observe the breakouts in the higher time frames only. Because in the lower time frame, breakout can happen like this, which is not like even like trustworthy breakouts. So this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. Now, like I said, what is opening? If I say opening, the one part of that ORB, first understand O. O means what? Opening. Opening of what? Opening of first candle of that day. Opening of first candle of that day. First candle opening. Not second, not third. First candle only. We'll just observe first candle. That's the opening for us. Right? Opening means what? Opening of first candle of that day and which time frame we are observing. For example, if you are watching 1 hour, I will show you. Okay. Let's say, for example, we are watching 1 hour. Okay. So we will go, we will spread it and we'll find out where did the 12 started. Okay. 12 started here. This is the first candle of the 12. First candle of the 12, which is currently going on. So we'll skip that thing. We'll do like to show you how accurate this strategy is. I will take the previous day because right now the day is going on. So we'll leave that thing. We'll do it in the live trading strategy. Okay. Live, whenever I'm doing live trading, I will use the strategy for the current day. But to show you what it is, I will use the past days because it will have the complete thing. It will have the opening, it will have the range, it will have the breakout as well. In the current day, maybe we just have the opening and the range, not the breakout. So let's see the previous day. Okay. So this is first, second, where is the first candle? First candle. This is the first candle. This, yes. This is the first candle of that day. If you look in 1 hour chart frame, can you see in the down over here, there is a time, date and everything. Okay. If I tap on this candle, it will show 1 December 12. Like that is the start of that candle. This candle was started like 12th December. This candle was started. After this thing, we'll put what? We'll put range. Range is very simple. We just have to put a two trend line, one on the high and one on the low. If you don't know what is high, what is low, simple. A candle has a four component. This is high, this is low, this is low, this is H, okay, H. This is high, this is low. These are the four components. Open and close depend on the buyer or seller candle. If it's a buyer candle, open will be below, close will be above. If it's a seller's candle, open will be above, close will be below. Okay, representing price falling down, representing price going up. Got it? Cool. But high and low is gonna stay the same. It's gonna stay exactly the same. It's not gonna move. It's gonna not change. Not gonna do anything. High will be always up there, even if it's a red candle, green candle, doesn't matter. Low will be down only, even if it's a red candle, green candle, doesn't matter. So we are not looking for color. We are just looking for what? High and the low of that opening candle. That's all. So as I will mention over here, this is that candle. I will write it down so that you will get an understanding, because there are too many candles. I don't want you to get confused. So I'll point the arrow. That is first candle of 11th December. If I can make it enter and more smaller, so I can just it. So the arrow pointing out is your what is your first thing, which is ORB's first thing is opening. Can you see opening? Opening of the first candle of the day. This is in here in the bottom. You can see the whole chart goes with the two graphs. One represents the price. Second, the last, like the Y represents, this is Y or X? X, Y, Y, X, whatever it is. One represents the price of the market, and the below bottom represents the time date of the market. So we are going to observe for first just the time. Just the time we are going to observe. First candle of the day. That's all. Very simple to understand. Not hard, nothing. If you have any doubt in anything, please feel free to ask me. Welcome user 995573. I'm explaining you a new strategy which is called as ORB, opening range breakout strategy, which works the best in the market for predicting, not in 100%, but at least 70 to 80% it works. Okay. So GI. Is it G? Just G? Or good, or I don't know what it is. Let it be. If you have any doubt, anything, please feel free to ask me. Okay. And I don't understand two wordings, so please ask me some bigger like doubt or anything. At least say good like word. Typing two word is not gonna make me any sense. Like what are you saying? Okay, other than hi. So opening range first candle of the first 11th of December. This is the first candle. Now, what do you mean by range? Opening range. Range is denoted by what? I will type it over here. Range just a second. Range means high and low. I will type full thing so that you will understand. High and I can write simple just two. Yeah. High and low of that first candle. High and low of that first candle is called as range. What you need to do, again very simple, pick a tool of the trend line, pick horizontal because you don't have to measure it or anything. Just point out the edge of that candle. First is this, and then next I will make it perfect. Okay, this is the perfect one. And next, put it at the low of that candle. Done. Now what you made, first this is the opening, and then you made a range on it. Range is basically marking the price of the market. This is range refers to the price of the market. That first candle opened at in the range of 9209 to 91048. This is the range of the price where the market is moving in that first candle. Got it? Simple to understand? Cool. Now the only thing, and again the most simplest thing to understand is what? Breakout. Breakout is what? Obviously, I have told you this one thing previously. If this is the resistance, market is coming back again and again and again and again. At one point, it will break this line, imaginary line. Resistance is what? Imaginary line. It will break this imaginary line. This is what? Breakout. Same for support. If sorry, this is support actually. Yeah. Now resistance. If market is coming back again and again, again and again, again and again to the same resistance, same resistance is taking, one point is going to come where heavy buyers are going to enter, and it is going to break that resistance, going to move forward. Okay, so this is what? Breaking that line, which is basically called as breakout. Breakout is what? Breaking a certain resistance point, support point, or basically barrier which market is again and again taking the same movement. Okay, so that is breakout. In our case, our support and resistance is what? These are not actually support and resistance, just for your making understanding better. I'm just saying support and resistance, but these are not support and resistance, not. Okay, these are just simple range. Now we have to observe what? We have to observe just one thing. Which way the breakout is going to come? Is it going to come for the downside, or is it going to come for the upside? That's all. When the candle breaks any of those range, if it breaks the high, then market is gonna pump. If it breaks low, market is gonna dump. Simple. That simple it is. This is a opening range breakout strategy. You make the opening candle, then you make the range on high and the low, and then you wait for a candle to cross it in whatever way. If it crosses above, then market can come in, like we can see in overall day, a bullish market can come. And if it's a below, if it crosses below this point, below low, then we can observe that a bearish market can come in an overall day. Okay, like basically like sellers are the one who is going to have the majority or something like that. Okay, but not in every case. Okay, there are, like I said to you, the opening range breakouts enemies are news, big investment, or market liquidity. See, market liquidity is everywhere. Market can make its own trap anywhere it feels like. So that trap, we always have to make sure that there is one trap sitting on our head and we have to be aware of it. Okay, so what is it? News, big investment, and market trap can be the enemy of the opening range breakout. This can make your opening range breakout strategy fail. Three things: news. Why? Because if there is something, like I said to you so many times, I've told you, like if there is some big news happening outside the crypto world, maybe war situation, maybe some positive news regarding some company earning a very major profit, what do you call it? It is called something. Quarter, something. Mm, Quarter finance? No. Quarter report of some finance. Okay. Basically, the profit of welcome user 244195197. I am explaining you the most simplest strategy on the crypto world, which is ORB, opening range breakout strategy. Simple, easy to understand, easy to trade, and profitable for trading as well. Okay. So news, as in like some global political news, some import export trade is going imbalance, maybe tariff attacks, maybe any war escalation situation, maybe some two countries are fighting for the import export thing. Then can come some economic drop of the major countries, not of smaller countries. Smaller country doesn't matter. Major country matters. Some economic drop of the major countries. Then comes the some positive or negative news. Negative news as in like some scam happened in XYZ coin in XYZ format. People will try to save their money and they will take out a lot of money from there, like to keep their money safe. Next thing can come like maybe if there are like a day to day, like in United States, there are so many reports coming, job claims, economic, blah blah blah, those kind of reports. Then another thing which can come is some influential guy saying some XYZ thing. Basically, maybe Elon Musk talking about some coin that can pump, or if he says it is gonna dump, the people are gonna sell. People are gonna react to those people. If the person who is having a very influence, like have a very huge following, huge followers who are die hard for, not just like they are just observing your reels and just swiping it out, but observing it, knowing what is saying and taking action on that. Okay, that thing. Second thing can comes like maybe some we have seen like ETF. Most commonly, whenever some coins ETF has been launched, we have seen a pump in that coin. Is same like IPO. Like we have seen a company which releases their IPO. Okay, like we are releasing an IPO. If you want to go, you can go buy. Whenever they do the heavy buying or heavy bidding, the price sometimes pumps. Same situation happens for the ETF. ETF is a gateway of richer people. Okay, we use the public platform. This is public platform. Okay, this is not like a rich people platform. This is public platform for public. Okay, the normal public platform in which richer people can also come. It's not like the richer people won't come over here. But ETF is actually designed just for those people who do heavy investment, which basically can be institutional people, maybe major financial firms like BlackRock, CEO, and every of those stuff, who invest in heavy, huge amount. Okay, those kind of people, when they buy something, that also news affects. Like we have seen BlackRock CEO invested so huge amount. Welcome user 675616, welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I am giving you an option to win one free Dogecoin from my side. I do completely for free, but you only need to do two things for me. One is you need to do your first deposit. If you're already deposited in the live stream, sorry, in the account, then it's not for you. But if you're doing the first deposit, if you're a new user, never deposited any time, any amount, then you can do it from the live stream and gain one Dogecoin from completely my side. And the second thing is being in a part, being like you are a Zbit family, but not a part of it. How to be a part of it? By joining the Telegram channel, which you can see just over here in the more option. Again and again, I'm saying so more and more and more people will get to know about this, that where it is. Okay, just click on the more and you can see the Telegram channel over here. Click on it, join it, have the daily updates, daily news, every of those things. Okay, major minor updates, everything. So news, like I said, a lot of things can come in this. Influential person, some ETF getting launched, it some ETF person investing heavy amount, and that news comes in the market. For example, BlackRock CEO investing 1 billion can trigger a lot of buy orders coming inside the market. BlackRock CEO taking out money from the ETF, liquidating that self, can trigger a lot of sell orders. This can also get triggered. This is basically how sentiment works. People thinks like he took the money out, a lot the market is going to fall. I will take out my money. Sentiment happen and the market is going to fall. Welcome user 558316. If you are a new user, I am giving you a chance to win a one free Dogecoin from my side, the world famous meme coin, which can have a huge potential to grow up, which I'm giving to all of the people. What you need to do is just simply do your first deposit from the live stream function. You can see deposit over here, and then join the Telegram channel of R to be a part of the Zbit family and get daily updates regarding market and daily updates or changes regarding in Zbit app as well. Okay, make sure to do it. Do not forget it. All the user, whenever new user come, I'll be telling these things. Okay, so that each and lot of people will be coming. Why? What happened? It's too much. Just send it, delete it. Simpler option. Now, as we were discussing what news, ETFs, war kind of situation, which can trigger the market may fall kind of situation. Again, welcome user 562677 and 340337. If you are a new user, you haven't done a deposit till now, I'm giving you an option to earn a one free Dogecoin just by doing a first deposit via live stream option. Do not miss this option. Do not miss this chance to earn a free coin, like free coin, and that too, let's say you will obviously deposit for taking a trade. Rather than doing in a home page, do it in my live stream. Over here you can click on the deposit option. You can see there are three options: comment section, take a trade, and deposit. Just click on the deposit, deposit your first trade, first deposit, and then win a first one Dogecoin, world famous meme coin, which has a high potential of Elon Musk maybe again giving some influence regarding that coin, and again it can pump, which can give you a very huge amount of profit. Then why wait? Go click. If you are a new user, click on the first deposit of, click on the live stream deposit and make your first deposit and win a one free Dogecoin from Yash. Okay, it's my offer. It's I am giving to all people. It's like I feel a lot of happy regarding the, like, every day there are a lot of people are joining this live stream, and they're staying on my live stream. They are watching my live stream. They are gaining knowledge from my live stream, and I feel little appreciation for all of you people. I should do something for you. That's what I'm doing. But obviously it's a give and take relationship. You have to give something. That is your first deposit in the live stream. It is nothing different. There is no like extra charges or less charge or something. You do it from the homepage, same thing. You do it on the live stream, same thing. Only one difference: there you don't get free coins, but in here you get the free coin. And also click on the more option and join the Telegram channel for minor major news updates regarding ZB and the crypto world. Okay. Yeah. So news, I explained everything again and again. I got, like, see, whenever new user come, I feel like I have a responsibility to explain them the new reward which has just came. So user 675616, if you are a new user, okay, he went, so it's fine. Let's continue. Big investment, like same thing. If some, like, we used to see, like, in very early of the 2025, we used to see that one company called as Black Planet, Black, no, Meta Planet. Yes, one company called as Meta Planet. He aimed that by 2027 he wants 2%. Yeah, 2%. Yeah, 2% of, no, 1%, I guess. Yeah, 1%. 21,000, no, 21 million lakh. I don't know, whatever it is. 2 lakh, yeah. 2 lakh 10,000 Bitcoin he needs. 1% of the whole supply he's aiming to buy by the end of 2027. Right? So whenever such big investor invests a big money, then we can have, like, we don't know when they pick the time, we don't know when they pick the day, we don't know how and when and where are they going to do. If we get a breakout like this over here, and suddenly Metaplan invested a very huge amount in millions billions of dollar, obviously a very huge red candle is going to come, because that price is entering in the market. Okay, which can again make the ORB strategy go wrong. Next thing is market trap. See, market will not give you this simple strategy in the most profitable situation every day. Obviously, it is the most simplest, which you can clearly see. You don't even have to do anything. You don't even have to observe the candle or anything. Just mark the first candle, make a zone, and then just watch the breakout, and that's it. The strategy is done. You don't have to observe the candlestick pattern, chart pattern, market structure, blah blah, zones. Nothing you have to observe. Just these three things. But obviously, nothing is this simple in the market. Market will make sure that someday you lose. Market will make sure that some one day he will pick where he thinks like, okay, everybody is going for a buy. Let me go for a sell and liquidate all those orders. He will do. Some traps are always there. Okay, we can never outrun the market trap. Basically, all the time market may give us one surprise thing, like you never saw me coming kind of stuff. Okay, so this was for the first 1 second. Okay, you understood the breakout. Now understand, once the breakout happens, we are entering in the market in that movement. We got the movement of downfall, which is bearish market, aiming and predicting for what? Predicting that the price can fall down. Okay, in that way, what is going to happen now? we are just going to enter for a short sell, open short, or you can simply say sell, whatever you feel like. Okay. Short means prediction of market going down. Long means prediction of market going up. That maybe 2%, maybe 3%, maybe 5%, maybe 6%, obviously depending on the investment. Commonly, very commonly, very generally, you can achieve 2% of the market with this strategy. 2% of the market. I will calculate it for you. See, this is my breakout. From here, I'm gonna see which is the lowest market reached that day. This is the lowest market reached that day. Can you see? It is 2%. It is 2%, which is like commonly you can see 2%. In rare case scenario, it can come up to 1.2, 1%, but even that is okay, right? Even like you don't have to earn bigger profit every day. Some profit can be small, some profit can be big. But at the main thing to look is that your prediction went right. Just by doing what? Finding the first candle, making a range, finding the breakout, entering, and that's all you need to do. And you got the moment, you got the profit, you got everything. This is for the first 11th of December. I'm going to show you four different, like, see, we'll do it in BTC two times, one for 1 hour and one for 4 hours, so that you can have a very good differentiation between which time frame works the best. Like I said to you, 4 hour is the best time frame for ORB strategy. Okay. In this, what you can observe, what you can do is basically, once this breakout happens, switch to whether you want to do in 15 minute or whether you want to do in 5 minute, depends on you. Switch to one time frame, 5, 30 or 15, switch to that time frame, and from that exact, obviously mark that breakout point. From that breakout point, where is it? Yeah, from that breakout point, just go for a sell, and you can capture a very good movement in the short time frame, like 5 minute, 10 minute, or 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. Breakout, observe at higher time frame. This is the point where you observe the breakout and then shift it to the 5 minute or 15. Let's go for 15 right now. Enter at this point and capture a very good movement in the market with the help of the most simple strategy, ORB, opening range breakout. Understood? Welcome user 491506. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live. Thank you so much for being a part. If you are a new user, please do tell, because I have something amazing news for all the people. A chance to win a free Dogecoin from my side. That is a spot coin, not even a future. You can have it. You are basically owner of that coin. You can do whatever you need to do. But there are two things which you need to do for me, but only if you are a new user. Do tell me in the comment section, and I will tell you how you can win a one Dogecoin completely free from me. That is, you can see over in the screen, new user bonus, one Dogecoin from Yash. I'm giving you that completely. Okay. I have a big heart for all my people, for all the people who join my live stream, who come over here, who be a part of with me. Because see, obviously, this live stream is very boredom thing. Plus, it's a very lonely thing, because I can see myself on the screen who is speaking to himself. Like if you see in that way, in the third person perspective, there is a small Yash, there is a big Yash talking to each other. That's all. But when you come on my live stream, I feel happy. I don't feel lonely. I feel like I'm talking to somebody else. I feel like there is a person who's listening. I'm not just going crazy talking to a screen. So thank you so much for all the people appreciating your coming to my live stream. I've given a reward for you. I'm really sorry that for before existing people, this reward is not there, because it's a first deposit reward. But sorry, it's fine. For the existing people, I already have the reward, which is basically if you do more than three deposit in my 5 days. I come 5 days live stream, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. 5 days I come live stream. In my 5 days live stream, if you deposit three or more than time per person, not overall together, per person, if you deposit three or more than that, I will give you free rewards, free offers, maybe something bigger than one Dogecoin. Maybe. Good morning, guys. I'm new over here. Great. Now, as you are a new user over here, I have something very interesting rewards waiting for you. What are those rewards? First is you can win a one Dogecoin completely for free of cost from my side. This is my gift for you. As you are a new user, this is my gift for you. But you have to do one thing for me. Whenever you do a deposit, you need to do a deposit from via live stream option only. There is a deposit button on the live stream. Click on that if you are doing your first deposit. If you are not doing first deposit, then even if you deposit from somewhere else, that is fine. But still, try to deposit in the live stream. You can use this function very easily. Watch the market update, at the same point take a trade, at the same point do the deposit, and at the same point ask queries, doubts, caution, gain knowledge. Each and everything on one pit stop. That is our live stream function. You can take a trade over here, you can do a deposit over here, you can do like doubt solving, content learning, but not content, like knowledge learning for basically the trading and every of those things. Whatever you need to ask, it can be from here. One pit stop live stream, and that too completely free of cost for all the people in our Zibit family, especially for all of the people. Okay, but even live stream has some restriction. We come 4 hours. 4 hour me, 4 hour Nida. We just come for 4 hours. We are not there 24/7 available for you. But I have option for that as well. If you need help of us in any scenario, in any point of your life, in any point of your day, and there is no live stream at that point, there is no live stream going on in that day, but you need a help, simply click on the more option and download our Telegram, not download, sorry, join our Telegram community. It's a Zbit community. Just if you click on this, it will take you to the browser. You need to first download the Telegram app if you don't have, and then you can see over here Zbit community, which will give you all the major minor updates, news regarding the crypto world, massive or maybe like very not accurate. I won't say big predictions, but small to medium sized prediction we can give you, like what can come the next, like some signals, plus whatever changes there is in Zbit. Like same thing right now, there is a new reward called as one Dogecoin free from Yash. If you do one thing for me, do your first deposit from the live stream option. That's all will take to receive first like one Dogecoin from me to your account straight, without transfer fee, without money, without anything, completely free. That to spot coin. You can hold it forever. You can use it forever. Okay. I get it. Like people will think like meme coins are not that good and blah, but that's what we are making a mistake. I know meme coins are not financially fundamental coins, but at the same point, meme coins are the one which is the most like manipulated, influenced coins in the whole cryptocurrency. Because whenever XYZ person speaks regarding those, you see such a great pump. We saw the scenario of Trump. We saw the scenario of Doge to the moon. We saw the scenario of 100 Pepe. We saw the scenario of Mind Pepe. We saw the scenario of, yeah, this, I remember this kind of meme coins only. Okay. Every of those coin got some like like mention from those heavy influenced people, like decide something about it, like good thing or bad thing, whatever it is. But we got a huge benefit from it. There is a chance for you to earn that benefit as well. Join Zbit, and whenever you are doing your first deposit, do it from the live stream function itself. You can clearly see over here, this is, you can clearly see this is that option. Can you see my finger? This is this. Click on this, click on this. Crypto deposit. Simple. Most simple thing you can ever do. If you are a new user, get a one Dogecoin from me. Why are you waiting for getting a first free coin from me? First free coin that we gave you, the first free cryptocurrency, and now again a new thing just for me, just for my side, an appreciation for all this new user finding this live stream, using this live stream for benefiting their trades and any of those things. I will give you a Dogecoin completely free of cost. But do not forget that it is for the first free trade. Okay, sorry, first deposit, not free, first deposit. Whenever you have taken all the experience, all the rewards, everything, then you want to start your like trading journey, and you need to deposit. Rather than doing the normal plain deposit from the home page, get an hold of the live stream, do it from the live stream, get a chance to win one Dogecoin. Also join our Telegram channel. Okay, I was explaining you something. Where were we in the content? so many new user comes, I have to again say some things for them, and then I forget what was happening. Okay, I think I was going to show you the next ORB strategy. This is just a one strategy which I showed, which gave you a very good amount of profit from this point to this point, like almost 2% of profit, which you got good prediction. After that, let's do it for the next previous day as well. Previous to 11th December is 10th of December. 10th, 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 first candle of the 10th. This is the first candle of the 10th. Okay. Then we'll do what? No, let's do it for, so this is 15-minute candle. Okay, sorry. 1 hour of candle we observe. Only observe higher time period candles only. And this is called as what? ORB. For the new people who are coming on this live stream right now, don't know what I'm talking about, I am explaining you and strategy which is called as ORB, opening range breakout strategy. One of the most easiest, simplest for all the beginners in the crypto trading, for all those, rather than putting so much brain in market analysis, learning zones, liquidity, blah blah blah. There are so many things. This is, I bought you the most simplest strategy, ORB, opening range breakout. We were checking for the previous day now. This was for the 11th. Let's check it for the 12th. If it's the same, we get the same thing or not. 10th. Okay, this is the 10th candle. Yeah, first candle of the 10th. Let's mark it as a first candle of the 10th. By marking the first candle of the 10th, you did the first thing. Where is the 10, 10, 10, 10, 10? Yeah, this is the 10th. Okay. By marking the first candle of the 10th, what you did is you made the first step by finding an opening. First candle of 10th. First candle of 10th. Okay, so that is what your opening. First step you did, opening. Next thing, again, like I said to you, what you need to do next. Welcome user 695799. Welcome user 718154. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. If you are a new user, I'm giving all the new user free coin, free spot coin, free cryptocurrency. Do ask me how to get it. I will explain you each and every scenario how to get the free cryptocurrency from me. Okay, applicable only for new user, no existing user, only for new user. Something exclusive, I bought it for the new user only. So as we observed, first candle of that 10th, then what are we going to do? Simple thing, we are just going to make a trend line on the H and the L of that first candle. Okay, we made it on the H, we made it on the L. Simple. Let me adjust it a little. Proper way. Okay, done. After this thing, first thing we have to observe. One second. We made the range. Now there are multiple breakouts we got. Multiple breakouts. Reason for what? Reason for the sideways of the market. But we have to make sure, we have to understand this one thing, that the candle has to close beyond that level. For example, if it's a green candle, if it closed beyond that level and you are seeing such kind of thing, like the whole candle is not coming out like this, but it's just like this, very small part of candle, very small part of candle cross that line, then what should be your next step to do? Next step to do is make a trend line on that green candle which gave you breakout, so that you can make sure to understand if this breakout is genuine or not. Should I enter or should I not enter? What you do, make a small trend line on the edge of that candle and then observe if the next candle is going to close above it. If this was a green color candle and it closed above it, then that's the correct point for you to enter. You have confirmed that yes, the market is going in an up direction. But as we can clearly see, the next candle is below that trend line. It is not on that trend line, it is below that trend line. That means there is no confirmation of the breakout. If breakout happens like this, if this is kind of breakout, we don't need confirmation, because we can clearly see such a very huge investment in the market. We don't need this like confirmation of this breakout. But if we see small candle giving us a breakout, then we do need confirmation, because we don't trust small candles, because small candles are made by who? Made by retailers who doesn't have investment, who cannot create a breakout. Okay, so first it gave a breakout, we made a trend line. Did the next candle close above it? No. We will enter, we will not enter. Market fall from there, it didn't close, it closed over here. After that, same thing, we'll put the trend line on the L of that candle, and we'll observe the next, or maybe next to next, or maybe next to next candle will close below it. If it closes below it, then yes, we can say the strength of the seller is there in the market. If it's not closing, then strength of the seller is not there in the market. Breakout requires strength of XYZ position. Like if it's breaking out above, strength of buyers is required. If it's breaking out below, strength of seller is required. If such small candles gives you breakout, that does not mean the seller has strength. Does not mean that. Okay. So we put the trend line like this. Did we observe anything over here? That this was the trend line. None of the candle, two candle, like one candle, second candle, third candle, three candles. None of the three candle closed below that point. If you think I'm lying, I will put a trend line over there, a simple trend line. This is the low point. Can you see? None of candle went. Candle went is an another scenario. Candle closing is an important. Candle closing will give you like, okay, this is that, like this is the real strength of the market in that 1 hour. This is the real strength of the market in XYZ time frame. If it closes, strength. Doesn't closes, no strength. Okay, from over here again, will we enter the market even if we got a breakout? No. Why? Because trend line was never crossed. Trend line condition works on what? Works on small candles only. If you see big candles, no need to confirmation, just enter, because that's the point where big players are entering. So obviously it will, the movement will carry on. Okay, small candle trend line condition has to apply to check if the breakout is real or fake. This is again fake breakout. Okay, next, one went wrong, second went wrong. Now again market went up from here, it closed above. Okay, then same thing, we'll look for the candle, we'll make the trend line over here. Even if it went till this point, will we enter in the market just for the buy position? No. Why? Because if there is a small candle, closing is the important key, not the candle high, not the candle low. Candle high can be something, candle low can be something, candle high can go more above, doesn't matter. Closing is what matters. Till the point, even if you see very big red candle forming, do not enter. You may get in the trap same way like this. For an instant, it will give you a, like buyers will have the push, but like I said, seller and buyer, they all have always, they don't have the balance. In between, they have like same, in which the market goes sideways, and once sellers try to give a huge push, buyers will retaliate, and will try to push more harder. Same goes for vice versa scenario. Whoever wins takes the candle. Even in this scenario, again, first breakout we got. This is a very good example to understand, because not every breakout are an entry point. First breakout, did we enter? No. Why we did not enter? Small candle didn't close above the trend line. No entry. Then again we got a breakout. Did we enter? No, we did not enter. Why? Because we put the trend line on the L. Did any of those candle closed below the trend line to show the strength of seller? No. We enter? We did not enter. From here again we went up. We again saw the breaking of the breakout. We again saw the breakout. Breakout is simply what? Breaking this line. Candle closing above that line is breakout. We saw the breakout. We did the same thing. Line Now understand this scenario, okay? Even though you can see till this point, market will be in a very green, 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 green. Till here it reached high. In breakout closing confirmation, high and low does not matter. Does not matter at all. What matter is closing. Closing is the real data of that time frame, that in this time frame market opened here, closed here. It doesn't matter if the market was highest is here or lowest is there. What matter is open and close only in the breakout scenario. Did it close above it? No. Will we consider? No. Third breakout, again fail. Now fourth breakout. We got the breakout. Still, it's not that big candle, medium size candle. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a trend line over here. We'll observe the next candle, close below, and that's the confirmation for us that we have to enter. And as you can clearly see, as the candle closed below is the trend followed and trend went down. This is how you can make your prediction the most simplest by using the most simplest strategy into the crypto market, which is called as ORB strategy, opening range breakout strategy. The most simplest strategy. Did you gain any knowledge of the crypto or this coin or that coin of the blockchain of the USDT of anything? No. What we did? Found out the first candle, made two line, wait for the crossover. That's all. That's all we did. And in this scenario, this was a very good example because first of the like the candle which made on the first of the 10th, like it is here. Okay. The candle which made on the first candle made on the 10th of the December gave you the perfect scenario. This is what trap looks like, market trap. It will show you breakout, but breakout will not happen. Again, it will show you breakout will not happen. Again, it will show you breakout will not happen. I told you how to confirm the breakout by the trend line close above or close below. If it's a green candle, close above. If it's a red candle, close below. If it's a green candle, put the trend line on the edge. If it's a red candle, put the trend line on the low. Simple, very easy to understand, the most simplest strategy. I will give you a last example on the 4-hour time frame. This was 1 hour time frame. I will give you example of 4-hour time frame. Let's go on 4 hour. Let's change the coin. BTC, no. Let's go for, which coin shall I go for? Let's go for Ethereum. Let's see ORB strategy in Ethereum. 12th of December, we won't observe because that did not give you breakout, which you can clearly see. The candle is still forming, the candle is still going on. Okay, so we'll observe those candles, which is one second. Okay, so we'll check out for those candles which is already formed so that you can have a complete sense of it, if it's going correct, it's not going correct. Let's go for 11th. Where is 11th? 11th of December. No breakout. In 4 hour is too much. 1 hour is the best. 1 hour is the best time frame. In 4 hour, like a day can end up in just few candles. I need at least little more candle than 4 hours. 1 hour, best time to enter for that market for using ORB strategy. Welcome user 156105. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I just explained the best and the most simplest strategy of earning the profit from the market daily. This is a daily strategy which is called as ORB, opening range breakout strategy. If you have missed out that strategy, please do tell me, ask me in the comment section, or you can just scroll the video a little back and you can observe all those strategies which I've said. Or if you want to tell me again, I can say again as well. It is completely fine. So new strategy, which I said, the most beginner friendly strategy. No, and you don't have understanding of trading, fine. You don't have understanding of trading, don't have understanding of candles, fine. You don't have understanding of chart pattern, fine. You don't have understanding of market analysis, fine. No zones, fine. Liquidity zones, fine. Simplest strategy: opening range breakout. Find the opening, get the range, get the breakout, and profit is yours. Simple. Okay. And also, if you are a new user, do tell me, because I have a very great. How many OTPs are I going to receive? Because I have a very great offer for you. If you do your first deposit from the live stream function, which is simple, it's not like no extra charges or extra something, it's the same deposit. But if you do it from the live stream, I will give you a one Dogecoin from my side. As you can see on the screen, new user bonus, one Dogecoin from Yash. So make sure to do a deposit as much as you possible. This is only for new user, not for the existing user. Existing user, though, I already gave you reward. Criteria is simple. In 1 week, 3 deposit. And I'm very shocked to see none, not even a single person has achieved that criteria. I don't know if you are like earning profit all the time that you don't even have to deposit, which is good. It's good. If you're earning profit, it's fine. Don't need to deposit. But if you're losing money, then do a deposit. And if you even if you're doing deposit from the home page, why not do it from live stream to earn rewards? One extra step can give you something which you can cherish for your life. Okay, so 1 hour, one more observation we'll do. We did what? We did 11th. We did right now we'll do 10th. 10th of December. This is the first candle of the 10th of December. We'll make a range on it. This is the 10th of December candle. I made range on arena. This is not the trend I need. I need the horizontal one. Welcome user 117104. If you want one Dogecoin, please make sure to do the first deposit in the live stream function and get a free Dogecoin from my side. And do not forget to join our Zbit community. You are a Zbit family. Then why not be in the family group? So that you can enjoy all the exclusive news of the crypto market, all the exclusive updates regarding Zbit, major, minor changes, new feature, new reward, anything on that app. 24/7 available for you. Whenever some big news comes, we will share you. Doesn't matter whatever time it is. That channel, Telegram channel, is 24/7 available for you. Whenever you wake up, whenever you ask anything, question, doubt, blah blah thing, we are ready to give you response. We are ready to give you something. Okay, because as you know, this one thing very clearly from so long time, live stream is for just 4 hours, not bigger than 4 hours. So there is something which you should need for 24/7 for help. So this is that first candle of 10th. First candle of 10th marked over here. First candle of 10th marked over here. Again, same thing, as we can clearly observe this one thing, range is very small. Sometime you will observe this, like range is very tight, it is very small. Like very small movement for the market to move. In that small movement makes you what? Small movement gives you a higher chances of receiving fake breakout because it's so small. Any candle can give you breakout. Like simply you can observe this candle gave you breakout, this candle gave you breakout, that candle went down, that candle went down. Any candle can go down because the range is very small. But if you keep on applying the same strategy which I said, to check if the breakout is real is one thing only. uh, I will do it right now only. Click on what? Click on that way. Click over there, click over here, click over here. Block. Block. Done. So too many smaller range gives you too many fake breakout chances, and there is no other situation of getting out of the fake breakout chances other than confirming if it's a real. Told you the simple technique to confirm if the breakout is real or not. I gave you every situation. I gave you the breakout. Even if you receive a fake, I even told you how to identify if it's a fake or real. So you don't have to worry about anything. This is that one safe proof strategy for you to earn profit. Okay. Even over here, breakout happened. We put the trend line. Did it cross? No. First breakout went wrong. Second breakout, we put the trend line. The second candle, did it close below? No. Second breakout went wrong. After that, a little big candle can tempt you a lot. In like, it's a big candle. Maybe the big players are coming. Maybe the institutional people are coming. Let's go, let's go. But condition is a condition. Even if it's a big, even if it's a small candle, doesn't matter. Condition is a condition. Put on a trend line. If it closes above, then and then only enter at the buy position if it closes above. Okay. Even the third breakout went wrong. After that thing, it just gave you the just lower wick didn't close, so it doesn't have to carry, it doesn't have to count. After that, you can see one candle closed above, opened on the line and closed above. That now this is very huge confirmation for us. Like, yes, a strong breakout with a big candle. We enter, we got profit, and we exit. That's all. The day has ended. Don't continue your, for example, your 10th December trade on the 11th December of trade. Every day there are different types of scenario can happen in the market. It doesn't have to mean even if it's 24/7 market, every day is little different for Bitcoin. Every day is different. Every day traders are different. Every day strength is different. Every day volatility is different. It will not continue. Very rare case scenario it will continue, but every day you can observe something different in the market. Okay, cool. So this is that opening range breakout strategy. Now let's apply the same strategy on our live trades. I will put on which coin shall I put? I will see which coin first. We'll see which coin Resolve USDT is giving us as a trending coin is Python. Is it Python or Pyth? Just Pyth or Yith? Is P silent or not? I don't know how to pronounce it. For me, I'll pronounce it Python because it's PYTH. ON is the only remaining, so Python USDT, or it is Theta USDT. Python or Theta, these are the two recommended trend lines, recommended trending coins from the Zbit AI coin bot. Okay, very useful because this is gonna give you without even efforts, without even checking every of those coin, then checking what the measurement about the how the drop is there, what kind of market is going on, is the seller strong, buyer strong, blah 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 blah. Why waste this much money? Why waste this much effort when you can simply check out the suggestion of the AI con bot given by the Zbit, which is useful for you only, useful for taking advantage in gaining the trendy coins information. I got the information, Python USDT and Theta USDT. Let me log in into my account over here. We'll do the same exact thing. We'll make the opening, we'll find the first candle, we'll make the range, and we'll wait for the breakout. If the breakout happens, we'll confirm the breakout and then only we'll enter in the market. Got it? Simple. Okay. Let me put my email address. It's confidential, guys. @. And now this is your time. All the people who are joining this live stream, I'm going to start my live trading. This is your exact time where you will start depositing your amount and wait for me to give you trade and trade at those kind and earn a good amount of profit. So what you need to do, click on that live deposit option and do a deposit of the amount so that you have a sufficient balance to take the free, like not the free, take the profitable trade with me. And if any of this user is a new user, please tell me in the comment section because I can give you free coin only for the new user. Sorry for the existing users. Because see, I gave you the offer. None of you are interested in that. I told you weekly 3 deposit. I give you offers, reward, everything. You are not doing it. Not my problem. So I shifted to the new users. New users first deposit. I give you one Dogecoin completely free of cost. And with that thing, the only thing you need to do is come on my live stream. This is the live thing. Click on the live. You can see deposit option over here. Can you see deposit? Click on the deposit. Do your deposit. Once your deposit is completed and waiting for arrival, after that, again come on the live stream. Click on the 3 more and join a Telegram channel for all the major minor updates in the crypto world. Plus, I am new user. So user 103595, I will tell you, see, I am giving you one Dogecoin. What you need to do is simply, can you see that there is a deposit option over here? Obviously, for taking a trade, you have to do deposit. Without deposit, you cannot take a trade, right? So rather than doing it from the home page, I am giving you offer if you do it from the live stream. Can you see my live stream? How to enter the live stream? See, home page, this is the live. Click on that live. You come over here. This is my live. In the bottom, you see options, trade, deposit, comment. Click on the deposit and do your first deposit. If you do it, and after that, join the Telegram channel for like updates regarding the Zbit. I will give you one Dogecoin completely free of cost, and maybe that can give you massive amount of profit if another influential news comes for the Dogecoin. And it can come. Meme coin has their own trend. Trend comes, trend goes. Now the trend has gone. So obviously the trend will come now. So before that trend comes, get a hold of your one Dogecoin, which can make you earn a good amount of profit by doing this one simple thing, which is click on deposit and do a deposit and start your trading journey. But it should be from live stream. That is the condition. New users, condition, deposit from live stream. Does not, like, it really doesn't matter how much you deposit. $1, $2, 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever you feel like, whatever you need for taking a trade. It's up to you, not up to me. Okay. Whatever amount you require to take the trade, you deposit that huge amount, small amount, huge amount, depend on you. But it should be from here. That's all. That's all. It should be from there. I gave you two options in front of you. One which can give you glory and profit, and one which cannot give you. Because in homepage as well, if you go in a spot coin, there is a deposit option. You can use that as well, but it won't give you free coins. I can give you free coins. So make sure to get those free coins from my side. It's a limited time offer. Get a hold of your one Dogecoin from my side and join the Telegram channel, because it will give you all the updates. And at that channel, we will be available 24 into 7. 24 into 7. Whenever you feel like asking anything, you can ask. Whenever you are having some issues, problems, we will solve. Whenever you want to ask anything regarding market, I will help. If you want signal, I will provide. If you want trade, I will provide. If you want analysis, I will provide. Whenever you ask, however you ask. If you want confirmation, like you see some coin is having good momentum, but you don't know, shall I enter, shall I not enter? Ask on the group, I will provide. There are also major minors and everyday news related to the crypto world, which can help you in analyze if the market price can go up or can go down, which will be useful for your future trading to earn bigger amount of profits. So do not lose this opportunity of being a part of the Zbit family community, which will help you in each and every step. You take one step, we take one forward just behind you, in any sort of help, in any sort of condition, in any sort of anything which you need help on us. Okay, cool. And plus, very massive thing, whenever a new reward comes, any new reward, anything, like it started from, like, like the whole Zbit started from just 3 rewards: free cryptocurrency, no, just 2 rewards actually: free cryptocurrency and live stream. Then added the third one, free future trading. Then the fourth one, referral commission. Then the fifth one, AI convert. Now the sixth, one free Dogecoin from me. Now, do you know which is that one place will receive such kind of information the first priority? That is our Zbit community. In our Zbit community, it's a top most priority to inform any sort of changes, any sort of rewards, any sort of new profitable rewards, which is going to come for existing user, new user, or whatsoever user. We will inform the first in that group. From that group, I get to know. From that group, I tell you on the live stream. Simple. So if you want to be a part of that one group which gives you the information and gives you the first priority of getting to know any changes, any rewards, anything, the first most priority. One second, one second, one second. Tap, tap, and enter. That's all. That's all. That's how you get the first priority in knowing everything related to the crypto world. First priority. You don't have to wait or anything. You will get the first priority in everything. Okay. Yeah, I was doing my login chat. I forgot again. Yes. Luffy. Come fast, come fast. I got so spammed by so much emails. I don't even know if I'll receive any mail. Is this mail right now thing? That's not the right one. If I block the mail, will my mail come to me? I don't think so. Let's do this. Let's do again. This is my online. That is my email. Basically, changes why it's sending me OTP. GZ slash global. Same. There is no difference. There should why? Why no? Why no OTP? How will I log in? Okay, I trusted it. Let's ask for OTP again. Oh, so it's not like a particular email block, like it will block everything. What's the point of blocking that? If it won't give me my OTP. Get code. Email send again. I was feeling so shy to come in front of camera today because of this thing. Very huge mistake. I'm never ever gonna, yeah, OTP game. I'm never ever gonna trust an Indian barber for sure. 88 25 done. Login done. Let's come over here. Okay. We will see which coin to trade on. He gave us option of He gives option of Python USDT and BTC. Then again start to come. Python USDT and Theta USDT. This is the two things which we will take. Okay, cool. So search only future. Okay, I only trade live future. I don't trade spot. Only future. Because that's the most profitable and the easiest at the same point. Why it is like this? Cool. PY. Yeah, this USDT. Let's see the first candle opening of this first candle. Today is 12th. This is the 12th. 12, 12, 12, 12. Yeah. First, let's zoom it out. Observe 16-minute. 12, 12. This is the first candle of 12. We'll use our first. Make sure your chart is clear. Okay. There are auto indicators applied at your platform, at your trading, but you don't have to do it. You can just simply delete everything to keep your chart clean. Clean chart will give you clear indications. So this is the 12th star, first candle of the 12th. Market horizontal line is better rather than making it. Where is this? This is a H opening. Figure out first candle of the day. Opening candle, range high and low. Simple. Again, I will put it at the range over here. Done. Now with these two things, one we got was, I will mark it the first candle so that you won't get confused which candle I'm talking about. This is first candle. First I will write just opening, because by saying opening, you know what do you mean by opening. Opening is first candle of the day. So I'll just write opening. Opening. Okay. This is an opening. I will mark range. Range I don't have to mark. I hope that you can understand range very simply. Welcome user 423514. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for opting this live stream, because this can give you updates regarding new reward. I have made a new reward that if you are a new user, first tell me that you are a new user. Why? Because I can give you a one Doge coin completely for free of cost just by doing a first deposit on the live stream function. Don't miss out this option, because it's a limited period of time. Get your first Dogecoin in your hand, because maybe soon a Dogecoin pump can come which can help you achieve a good amount of profit. And this Dogecoin is a spot coin, not like an not like a future coin which you are holding for 1 hour, 2 or 3 hours. No, spot coin completely yours forever and ever. If you don't want to sell it ever again, don't tell it. It's completely yours. If you want to trade it today, trade it today. If you want to exchange it in USDT, you can do it that as well. It depends on you what you need to do. Okay, because you are the owner. Again, welcome new user Shahid 021. Welcome new user Shahid. Thank you so much for opting to the live stream of my Yash's live stream. I have event. Okay, fine. Let me do my live stream. Whenever new person come, I have to keep repeating one thing again and again and again and again. Why all the user cannot come like at one point, like everybody come in one way? Okay, leave that thing. So opening, first thing, range we made by the H and the L of that opening candle. We made a range. Hi Shahid. Hi. We made the range. After that, we'll wait for breakout. First, we got a breakout over here. We paid the trend line. Did it cross above? No, we did not enter. It gave you breakout below. Did it continue? After the trend line, did it close? The red candle closes below the trend line? No, fake breakout. Then next, we have seen a recent very huge breakout. But like I said to you all people, if a candle, first candle itself is giving you a very welcome user 300539, please make sure to receive a one Dogecoin from my side completely for free of cost. Only if you're a new user, do tell me that you are a new user. I will provide you a one Dogecoin completely free of cost. But for that, first tell me if you are a new user or not. If you are, then I will continue and like in what way you can earn that one Dogecoin. That took very simple thing you have to do, not even like a very hardcore stuff. Very simple thing. First deposit from the live stream function. That's all. In the bottom of this live stream, if you can see three options: comment, deposit, take a trade. Do your first deposit from the live stream function and enjoy your first first Dogecoin completely for free of cost. Because maybe soon a Dogecoin pump can come, and before that thing, obviously, whatever coin can have a pump, you should have that coin, right? So why wait? Grab your first Dogecoin by doing first deposit at the live stream function of the deposit. So as I was discussing this one thing, that the big candle, the range is small. Even though the candle is very big, doesn't matter because the range is small. Even the smallest to medium sized candle can give you breakout. Like for example, this was medium sized candle, just formed, it gave you breakout. Small candle, you can clearly see it closed below the trend line because the range is very small. When the range is very small, don't go for like if the candle is big or something like that. Okay, just we'll simply see breakout happened, candle, the next candle has closed above it. Now this gives us a signal that we should enter for a buy situation. But for that, observe your surrounding as well. Because like I said to you, like normally it can give you up to 2% of, okay, it's more than 2% already. So entering at such kind of point can give you loss as well because it's already gave. Can you see it already gave you till now point 3 points, till now point 3.78% of the market is already done. Entering at this point comes with a risk. Maybe reversal will come because naturally, generally, ORB strategy will give you 2 to 3% of profit daily percentage. Minimum to minimum 1%, max to max 3%. Rare case scenario when the big player comes, maybe 5, maybe 10. But normal, general 2 to 3. Minimum 1. Already 3.78 has happened. So entering at such coin can make your prediction go wrong. Maybe if you enter at this point, like if the breakout happened, I can see confirmation candle as well. Now the one candle is formed, which is small only. If I enter this candle, maybe I will get more profit from here. But already 4% of market has been captured. How long, how much more a day time frame can, like 61-hour candle can go for? Welcome crypto 102462663 GM. Is actually good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon for me because I'm in Dubai. It's 3:42. Good afternoon. Good morning to you as well, but if it's good morning to you. Okay. And if you are a new user, do tell me because as you can see, there is one new update on my screen. New user bonus, one Dogecoin from Yash. I can give you a free one Dogecoin only if you are a new user and only if you can obey my one command, which is doing. Obviously, for taking a trade, you need deposit. And I will find a best place for you to deposit. Don't go for that homepage. Homepage is boring. It's not going to give you any benefits, not going to give you any rewards. But there is one place, the same deposit, same scenario, but can give you deposit, but can give you reward. Reward of what? One Dogecoin. Where is that? Home. This is your home. Go on the live, click on this deposit. Can you see live stream deposit over here? This is that deposit which can help you earn one Dogecoin from me completely free of cost just by your first deposit. I see your first deposit from the live stream. I provide you one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. And soon, Dogecoin pump is gonna come and have a Dogecoin before the pump comes. Basically, at the cheap price so that you can sell at a higher price. Understanding? all the user, all the new user who are coming on this live stream, if you are a new user, first thing for you is watch that screen over here. New user bonus. The time you see new user bonus, you should ask question, what is that and how should I get hold of it? Because who doesn't want free stuffs? Who doesn't want a free cryptocurrency? Even if it's a meme coin, even if any coin. Coin is a coin. Currency is a currency. A currency which has a freedom. A currency which has a high influential market, which can help you earn good amount of profit. Then why wait? Make sure to do your first deposit from the live stream function itself and earn a one Dogecoin completely free of cost from Yash. I am Yash. Okay. Any other new user, please make sure to tell me in the comment section that you are coming, that you are a new user, so that I can guide you to achieve that one Doge coin from me. Okay. And crypto 1024663, please make sure that my live stream timing is by 12 to 4, which is Dubai timing. Come on that timing, because I give good intel regarding market, good intel regarding market analysis. Plus, I also teach you every day something new. It's like today I taught you about the most beginner friendly, easiest strategy, which is called as ORB, opening range breakout strategy. The same strategy which I'm applying on right now trade, but as I told you, already 3.78% of market is captured. So Python is not for us because market is already captured. Let's go for the other coin, which is called was Theta. Yes, that's the one. Okay. Welcome user 898585. Nice. 898585. Like you have a very rhyming username. Nice. That's nice. But rhyming won't matter much if you earn one Doge coin from me. Okay. Theta coin. We'll observe what's happening. Even in the Theta coin, the breakout has already happened and market has already pumped. Sad scenario, but yes. This is the first coin of the 12-hour. This is the 12-hour first candle opening. I made a trend line on H, trend line on L, and you can see breakout, first breakout, fake breakout, didn't close above it. Then again, a breakout. We made the trend line. First candle didn't close, second candle didn't close, third candle didn't close. But fourth candle closed, and we are in that movement to capture above. From here to here, we'll count what percentage is, because whenever entering in the trade of the ORB, always make sure to calculate the breakout and current market distance. If it's above 3, don't enter, may face a loss. I'm not saying like, see, you can see the reversal start to happen. It went, reversal start to happen. That's what I'm saying. Like once it achieves respected amount of time, this was the breakout. Where is the breakout? My range. This is my, where is my range? Yeah, this is my range. From here, you can clearly see high of that candle is how much? 3.98% of candle already achieved. Welcome again, user 898585. If you want to achieve one Dogecoin completely for free of cost from my side, you have to be, condition is there, you have to be a new user. But if you are, do tell me, I will help you in achieving a good amount of profit with it. How to get it, basically. Okay, so you can clearly see in our scenario, if I clear the market a little bit, both of the market which was suggested by the AI coin bot of the ZBit, which is called Z, Python USDT, and the Theta USDT. If we apply the opening range breakout to both of the coin, we can observe this one thing, that all the candles, all the breakout strategy is already completed. The profit which it's supposed to give, it is already given. How much? I told you ORB strategy gives you approximate like 3 2 to 3% you can capture every day. Every day, I'm saying every day 2 to 3% you can capture. Breakout, market closed above. Okay, one second. The breakout candle, we put the trend line. This candle closed above, we enter. Basically, we'll calculate from here because that is the confirmation candle. From the confirmation candle, we'll go to the highest point market reach. You can clearly see 3.93% already, 2 to 3% used, given, profit given. After a heavy profit like this, 2 to 3%, market obviously does some rejection, which you can see by the green candle, sorry, red candle. So do not enter. See, there are lots of users in my live stream right now. If you are a new user, you have a duty to inform me, because I can provide you one Dogecoin completely for free of cost by doing just one thing, that is joining, that is basically come on the live stream and do your first deposit from this deposit option, live stream deposit, which you can see this is the live stream, this is the comment section and the deposit. If you do it and plus join, if you're already downloaded Zbit, then why wait to be a part of the family? Be a part of the family by joining the Telegram channel, the official Telegram channel, in which there are all the update in the most first priority which you can get. Okay, so Telegram, first deposit, and just sit back. I will give you personally one Dogecoin from me, because I really believe the Dogecoin pump is very near to come. So do not lose this opportunity to get a coin which is already getting pumped, so that you can achieve a profit. Okay. So both of the candle, which like both of the coin which was given by the AI bot are fulfilled, prediction fulfilled, and that too very simple. Breakout happened 3 to 8, 3 to 3. In the previous Python, it was 3 point something, 3 point something, and even in here it's 3.93, almost 4. So you can clearly see every day you can earn simple 2 to 3% of market profit every day by simple strategy, which I explained you today. ORB, opening range breakout. So right now it's my time to leave this live stream. I'm gonna leave. I will come back tomorrow, same timing, 12 to 4. Be on my live stream to learn something new and to grab the one Dogecoin offer from me. Do not miss this opportunity. It's a limited time offer. Not it's a limited time offer. It won't be there for every like whole like forever and ever and ever. Okay. So please make sure to grab this opportunity. Do not miss it, because it's a very simple, in one path. They both are going to land on the same place only. Okay, if I explain you this thing, homepage deposit, live stream deposit is going to land on same thing, whichever you pick. For example, if you deposit on spot, if you want to deposit on spot, homepage deposit is going to go in a spot account. And even if you do the live stream deposit, which is this, again and again I'm showing so that you can get used to it, like where it is. Okay, this is the live stream deposit. And even if you do the live stream deposit, still that same amount is going to go to your spot account money. Two different way. One does not have a profit, boring way, and one which has a profit, which can make you earn good amount of money. Why lose opportunity to make money? Never lose it. Whenever you see such opportunity, grab it rather than regretting. Okay. So with that note, I'm going to leave this live stream. Thank you so much, all the people, for being on this live stream. Thank you so much, everybody. I will come back tomorrow with the same thing, for giving you free Dogecoins from me, because I'm like actually happy with all of you people coming on this live stream. So make sure to grab that. Bye bye. And same thing, see, ORB you can apply on any coin, doesn't matter. Even if you want to do a stock, apply. Indices, apply. Commodities, apply. This ORB strategy is like, it doesn't have a specific format. It's only for crypto or only for that. No, it works in every format, and it's the most simplest way of understanding. Okay, use ORB strategy, earn profit. And if you earn profit from the strategy, please make sure to tell me on this comment section that yes, with my strategy you have earned profit. I'll feel happy, I'll feel very happy, I'll feel very great. Okay, so bye bye all of you people, thank you so much for coming on this session. Bye bye.